ये तो तू शुरू में बताया नहीं कि मेरे को क्वेश्चन मिलेगा, उसके बाद ये आंसर करेगा या नहीं करेगा.
हाँ करेगा.
This is not the way.
करेगा.
This is not the way. सलमान खान नो एंट्री. I don't think इतना बड़ा डायलॉग. ऑर्गेज़म जिस्म. अरे क्या है यार वो. अरे जिस्म. ऑर्गेज़म जिस्म.
कुछ है.
I get why you got confused because of the last two letters.
The next game is buzzer based.
किधर है?
No.
तुमसे मुझे.
ओ दोनों धीमे धीमे जले, आजा दोनों ऐसे मिले.
आ भी जाएगा ना तो तेरा रिदम के कारण मेरा चला जाएगा. ये प्रॉब्लमेटिक है. अरे बाप रे बाप.
तू हाँ कर या ना कर.
Oh, bro.
Oh, that's the same song.
Bro, wait.
Sorry. I am only playing. तू हाँ कर या ना कर. तू है मेरी किरण. मैं 16 मिनट पहले ये बोला था.
वो भी यही गाना 2 बार बोल चुका है. नहीं, मैं जीतना चाहता हूँ पर ऐसे नहीं. मैं जीतना चाहता हूँ पर ऐसे नहीं. Hello and welcome to That Filmy Game Show, the show where through Bollywood acumen and knowledge you figure out who amongst us is the biggest Bollywood Badshah or Begum. Joining me on the show today are two very funny stand-up comedians. They're both content creators, they're both writers. First up, we have Vaibhav Sethia! Woo-hoo! Yes! Here we go! Vaibhav, welcome!
The way you introduce, I thought तू मेरा weight भी बोलने वाला है. And then I have to just fight.
Weighing in at 80 kgs only. Welcome, Vaibhav. Welcome.
Yeah, weighing 80 kgs since class 7.
Oh, nice. Same board we had to do. Nice. What do you think of Anirban? What do you think your odds are of winning today against him, man?
Of winning today? Dude, I'm telling you, so this is a fact, okay? Me and Anirban, we came up with a show one time, and then it was about proving how we're weird, how the other person is weird, okay?
Okay, nice.
Now, in that, one of the questions that we used to pose, we once thought to do against Anirban was that he does not listen to Bollywood at all.
Oh, nice.
ठीक है?
Nice.
Then I realized that I don't listen to Bollywood even further.
Oh,
And
one of
even
them
worse.
Nice.
So there are times I have been successfully able to sing a song up to maybe 2.5 to 3 lines. That is amongst the best I've done.
Nice. You're good.
Yeah.
This
I've
was meant for you, man. This is
Yeah, I know. So we'll be competing who can score a better zero.
better.
If there is
More rounded.
if there was a Aryabhatta in music, I'm
You'll be
gonna
proud.
reinvent zero today.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Also joining us is Anirban Das Gupta. Weighing in at 85 kgs this time. Welcome.
I can't believe I'm more than Vaibhav. First time it has happened.
Nice. Welcome, Anirban. What do you think your odds are of winning today?
Good only.
Actually, that is because इसको आफरीन वाला गाना पता है.
No,
Oh, yes. Correct.
Yeah, he knows one.
no, I think we are not very strong Bollywood quizzes.
right.
Yes, let's see. You are a bad casting director.
By the way, tomorrow, me and a couple of friends are doing a live show called Pop Conversation Live, where we recast an existing movie, like a classic, with current day actors.
Oh.
So thanks for saying I'm bad at casting.
Yes. You keep quiet tomorrow.
I have a feeling if you made a movie, you'll probably make with someone जो कि कभी acting नहीं किया है.
First time actor.
First, मतलब
सड़क से उठा के स्टार बना दूंगा.
नहीं जिसको बनना भी नहीं था. आता ही नहीं है, मूवी नहीं देखी आज तक.
What's the last movie you guys saw? Bollywood, Hindi, in theaters maybe?
Happy Patel.
Oh, nice, dude. What
Yes.
do you think of it? Not that nice.
Good. No. Start of the episode only I'm in trouble. No. Good. I enjoyed Happy Patel. Before that, I have to remember actually what was the last. I wanted to watch Ikkis, but I couldn't find time. Is it off the theater already?
I think it didn't do much business. It must be off. Or must be like 1 or 2 shows left, huh?
It's running, but orders coming out.
Oh
It's
shit.
running, but it's on the border of getting out. Is what I'm
Oh,
saying.
okay. Oh no,
Just
no.
about.
फिर तो देखना. I think Netflix पे ही
But
देखेगा.
I've heard it was the anti-Dhurandhar for its time.
Yeah, that's why I wanted
Yeah,
to watch
yeah.
because I didn't watch Dhurandhar.
Oh, you didn't?
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay. Neither of you did.
Yep.
Oh,
Yeah.
I had a blast. Then-
Yes, I have enjoyed Dhurandhar through its songs. I
Yeah.
think I am happy with that. That's a good takeaway. You have seen 3.5 years and you are coming out humming that song.
yeah.
I have done it on YouTube.
Yeah. Okay.
So I think
Nice.
it's
Yeah,
alright.
well done, man. I would say. Vaibhav, what about you? Recent one?
I can't remember the last time I watched. I remember I've been wanting to watch a movie that my wife suggested that she really liked, Mehta Boys.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
That
that was
was,
nice.
that was very nice
Very
apparently.
nice,
So I've been wanting to watch that.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the last I remember. उसके पहले तो मेरे को याद नहीं है.
I think like now my relationship with Bollywood has become a little strained, but earlier it was better. Like when I was when Govinda was there.
Oh, yes. Oh, that was your golden era.
Yeah, that golden era because I used to
Nice.
come from school and just watch like films on cable TV.
Oh, nice.
Used to watch films like it's reels. You know, it will end and then I'll watch the 6 p.m. one and then the 9 p.m. one.
What's your most favorite? Yeah, please go ahead.
I've watched Suryavansham.
Oh, what?
Suryavansham.
No,
Like recently?
you don't watch Suryavansham. Suryavansham watches you.
Yeah, that is true.
What would you say is your most favorite Hindi Bollywood film of all time, if you have one?
I think Rang De Basanti.
Rang De Basanti.
Yeah.
Oh, nice, dude.
Yeah, I used to go alone to the theaters to watch it many times.
You went alone to watch
Yeah,
Rang De
yeah,
Basanti?
yeah.
And they let you in the theater, wasn't it? Dirt?
No, I was I think on the border of.
Nice.
I can't remember. So I think for a long time it was Hera Fairy. Then it was replaced by Bheja Fry. And uske baad it was Badhai Ho. Badhai Ho I really
Badhai Ho,
like. Yeah, I
great.
really like that movie.
Yeah.
But uske baad मतलब that उसको भी 7-8 साल तो हो गए मेरे ख्याल से.
correct.
I can't
And
really.
since then you
place
haven't seen a
it.
movie in theater.
I don't remember the last one I watched which I really liked.
Oh, okay. Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
अभी क्या क्या थिएटर में?
तू मेरा मेरा मेरा
हाँ,
तेरा
वो तो
तेरा.
बहुत वो तो गलती से
lot
भी
of-
देख रहा हूँ.
lot of-
पागल है क्या मैं?
क्या बोलते हैं इसको pronouns? Is it?
But of course, yeah, that's that. Correct.
Imagine that is their current pronoun.
It's
तू
like
मेरा, मैं
people are
तेरा.
calling it, so it's the abbreviation of the movie becomes TMMMTMM. So people are calling it tomato, by the way, because it's that bad.
Okay.
Then I heard someone say that it was a teenage mutant teenage. It's also
My
a good
God.
name for the movie.
Tomato, Rotten Tomatoes has a new meaning.
Yeah, correct. Rotten Tomatoes. Exactly. We have a scorekeeper in the audience named Vidhi.
Okay.
She was the only one who had no idea what today's show is. So I was like, perfect person to keep scores for us, right? Of course, because she'll mind the least if she misses the show. No, I'm just joking. It's joke.
I mean, of course, you will get a scorer who's never scored before. So,
Yes, that's true.
theme of the show, buddy.
Of course.
And listen, you guys don't show off when you are playing with us, okay?
Yeah.
Don't just try to be देखा तेरे को कुछ नहीं आता. You know.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
Guys, you guys are fighting for something.
Okay.
This is all, yeah, fun and games. You can be like, oh, मजे करने आए हैं. But no, we don't just play for fun. We play for something very important. Something more important than if you ever win a Filmfare or an Oscar in your life. You're playing to be crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah. It's a title
Nice.
that you get to take home.
I would love it.
Great.
Okay?
It's
What
almost like Trump becoming president. No matter what you deserve.
you mean the most deserving person becoming...
ये मूवी मेरी अब से. ये मूवी मैं नहीं लूंगा तो कोई और ले लेगा. ये मेरे को दे दो यार.
I have brought along a bag to take this title.
nice. So, what this title allows you is becoming the ultimate authority on matters of Bollywood, should matters of Bollywood ever show up in your life ever again.
Okay.
Like, say you are in the White House meeting President Trump, because he's going to be around for another 10, 15 years easily, right? So, say you're meeting Trump, and Trump, hey, what do you think is the greatest actor Bollywood has produced? And you can be like, I think the greatest actor is... Who do you think the greatest actor is?
It will require some time to give this answer.
Say anything. Yes.
Darshil Safari.
Yes, Darshil is the best. He's the greatest. And he has to say that because you are the biggest Bollywood Badshah. Whatever you say is correct.
Okay.
So Trump has no say, man. Alright? You get it. More important than becoming the President of India. President of the United States, sorry.
Definitely President of India से तो ज़्यादा.
Do you know something we don't?
Oh, yeah.
जहाँ जिसके पास मिनरल्स है छुपा लो.
Sorry.
कोई तेल लगा के आया छुपा लो.
Sorry to break it to you guys like this shit in the middle of a show. Alright. ठीक है? The biggest stakes. Huge stakes. Let's go.
Okay.
Starting now, the first game we're going to be playing, guys, is called Whose Line Was It Anyway? The name of the game is a throwback to one of the greatest shows of all time, of course. But how this game on this show works is I will quote a dialogue from a very popular film, but the dialogue may not be as well known.
Okay.
You guys have to deduce from the options which is the correct answer and tell me what the option is, or what the correct answer is. The first question can start with Vaibhav and then go on to Anirban. Both of you get a chance to take a stab at it. The second question can start with Anirban and then go on to Vaibhav. And if neither of you get it, then it'll throw to the audience. All right?
I have a suggestion.
Yes, please.
That after I get the question and after Anirban gets the question, can I again get a question?
I mean, eventually it will happen. The next question.
I thought you were gonna explain till the end. So
Okay, fair enough.
things need to be clear up top.
Too much explanation.
ऐसे थोड़ी.
He is very much into. He's doing the 3-act structure.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
All right, guys, the first game. Whose Line Was It Anyway? Just be ready. The first one is as follows. नफरत बहुत सोच समझ कर करनी चाहिए क्योंकि एक दिन हम वही बन जाते हैं जिससे हम नफरत करते हैं. Who said this and in which film? Was it A. Sunny Deol in Gadar, B. Hrithik Roshan in Krish, C. Kajol in Fana, or D. Shah Rukh Khan in Main Hoon Na? Vaibhav, starting from you.
Okay, of course. Let me bring to you a very, very surprising fact.
Yes.
I have no clue.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Let me see.
Have you seen all these films?
That's what I'm thinking. Have I seen Gadar? I think I might have. I think कहीं तो वो पंप निकाला था. तो I don't know. It was 1, 2, 3 जो भी था Gadar.
Yeah, maybe he hated the pump.
Yeah.
He was like, I want to break this fucking nafrat.
Krish, I saw वो पाँव रखता है तो बहुत डस्ट उड़ता है. I remember that scene.
Nice.
फना में काजोल कहाँ थी?
हाँ, अरे काजोली तो थी और कौन था?
वेट फना में तो
काजोल में वो बॉम्ब फोड़ता है तो बहुत
कश्मीर
डस्ट
में
उड़ता
था
है.
वो था.
हाँ, no, so अंधी है वो.
Nice.
नहीं, अंधी नहीं है वो.
एक मिनट. वो फिजा थी. So I don't know Fana.
Fana is the one with Amir Khan. Kajol and Amir Khan.
I know.
No, let me tell you, it's not gonna help. This is not gonna help. Now that I don't know Fana, I have no idea what Fana is.
Well,
I'm just gonna assume Kajol from KK. वो कभी खुशी कभी गम.
Okay.
Shah Rukh Khan, Main Hoon Na.
Yes.
Okay, I think that one I've seen.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't remember much about it. नफरत. Okay, now let me see. नफरत बहुत सोच समझ कर करनी चाहिए क्योंकि एक दिन हम ही वही बन जाते हैं जिसे हम नफरत करते हैं. See, this is deeply psychological. Right? Sunny Deol. I don't think he'll be given like this sort of a line.
What if he said, नफरत बहुत सोच समझ के करनी चाहिए?
मतलब maybe like कि हाँ नफरत मुझे बहुत सोच समझ के करनी चाहिए थी पर अभी मैं क्यों करूं? I don't think वहाँ पे like imagine गदर में अगर सनी देओल ने बोला होता वो बॉर्डर पे खड़ा है सामने कोई शूट कर रहा है like नफरत सोच समझ के कर यार मत मार उसको गोली क्या पता एक दिन तू ही वो बन जाएगा. I don't think it makes sense. Hrithik Roshan.
How would Hrithik say it if you can?
Hrithik मुझे I don't think I can do Hrithik. Yeah, but if I don't get the question, I'll be very angry and then मैं सारे चीख हिला दूंगा.
Oh,
I'll do
nice.
that.
Yes, of course.
But Hrithik Roshan, I don't think he's hated anyone in any of his movies. I don't think वो कभी hate किया ही है. Apart from the villain, जिसको तो सब कोई audience
Yeah,
अगर
sure.
वो
Yeah.
imagine Hrithik विलेन के लिए ऐसा बोल रहा है नफरत ऐसा मत कर तो लोग ही बोलेंगे ना अबे वो विलेन है क्या कर रहा है.
क्या कर रहा है?
आई थिंक दैट डजंट मेक सेंस.
वो पाकिस्तानी है फाइटर में.
काजोल कभी खुशी कभी गम में कुछ बोली होगी क्या ऐसा?
अरे वो कभी खुशी कभी गम है भी नहीं.
अरे बट उसमें काजोल थी तो लेट मी जस्ट सी कि
If that fits her persona.
somehow.
Okay.
Fana, I don't know. I have no idea. Kajol, let's see. हो सकता है कभी कभी सी इंडियन मैन यू नेवर नो राइट. तो हो सकता है काजोल से बुलाया हो कि यार ये क्या बकवास कर रहा है.
अरे लेकिन लिखा वो डायलॉग इंडियन मैन ही.
एक्चुअली यही होता है लोगों में जो प्रॉब्लम होती है ना वो दूसरों को दे देते हैं कि देख ये प्रॉब्लम है तेरे में जबकि वो उनको रियलाइज हुआ.
ग्रेट एनालिसिस.
ये नहीं होगा ये
मैं क्या बोला
सेल्फ दूसरों का नहीं है ये सेल्फ. शाहरुख खान मैं हूं ना अगर वो है तो नफरत बहुत सोच समझ के करनी। दिस सीम्स लाइक वेरी शाहरुख खानिश, यू नो, कि हाँ यार उस मोमेंट पे यू नो ऐसा थोड़ा सा नफरत बहुत सोच समझ के करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि एक ही दिन हमें वही बन जाते हैं जिसे हम नफरत करने की चाहते हैं।
Bro, that's low key a good impression, dude.
Where do you find keys?
That's a good impression. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Nice. Not bad. Not bad.
I think out of the blue.
Out of the blue.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
Shah Rukh Khan from Main Hoon Na.
All right. You're saying D. Shah Rukh Khan. Anyone?
Is it right?
I'll let you know. After both of you take a stab.
What the
at it.
fuck is
एक
this?
I'll let you know the
सेकंड, ये
answer.
तो तू शुरू में बताया,
Yeah.
ये तो तू शुरू में बताया नहीं कि मेरे को क्वेश्चन मिलेगा, उसके बाद ये आंसर करेगा या नहीं करेगा।
हाँ, करेगा।
This is not the way.
करेगा।
This is not the way.
I have never played a quiz like this.
Both of you will get a. See, one of you might be right, but if it's wrong, then it'll throw to the audience. But see, just go with it. You'll get it. The best way to understand these games is just play them. Is what I say. Don't question too much.
What the
Just go
fuck?
ahead.
It's like deferred result. It's like जैसे election होता है फिर 4 दिन बाद आता है result. वैसा. But yes, I would not give it if it was wrong. So that's the information I want.
That's why. That's why.
आप
That's why.
किस सोच के रूल्स बता रहे हो गेम के इसको? जैसे आपको सबको पता है।
Some of these guys are regulars. They attend every single episode.
Oh my god.
God.
Are you a regular, sir?
Yes.
All of the,
Yes.
Are you part of the?
Who,
आप score
who
कर
has
रहे
who
हो
has scored the lowest?
Oh, he knows. Saurabh Pant scored 0.
Someone said 0. Nice.
Saurabh and Anu Menon both scored 0.
Wait.
Oh really?
क्या? Wait, now I have to try to give the wrong answer then. Minus है क्या?
नहीं है. And also you said, as of now you said D.
हाँ.
Anirban, anything?
Firstly, I'm little surprised that Fana में काजोल अंधी नहीं है ना?
Part of the movie she's अंधी.
हाँ,
And नफरत तो कर ही सकती है. नफरत के लिए अंधा होना ना होना.
They said no. That's why I was checking that. मैं like am I seeing things while seeing movies? That was my takeaway, that she's blind. Okay, so I would go for
Yeah.
नफरत है ना, इसलिए तो I will go with Gadar.
Sunny Deol Gadar.
Yes.
Okay. Vaibhav said Shah Rukh Khan मैं हूं ना, and Anirban said Sunny Deol Gadar.
What a beautiful summary.
Thank you.
What has just happened?
Thank you.
Bro, you should write dialogues.
Thank you, man. Of course. What if someone lost track, where we were in the episode?
I mean, there are so many options.
I know, right? Anything can happen. The correct answer, Shah Rukh Khan is right. Yes. We've got it. Yes.
सही आंसर बहुत सोच समझ के देनी चाहिए। क्या पता तुम्हें ही आंसर्स बताओ।
You have gone past Saurabh Pant and Anu Menon.
Yes, well done.
The aim, as you said, is Sumukhi and
Prashasti.
Prashasti. Okay.
All right. Next one.
हाँ.
This one will start with Anirban
Yes.
and then move on to Vaibhav.
Yes. अरे वापस
एक और नफरत है.
नफरत the theme of today's show.
The theme today is I hate everything. नफरत बड़ी आसानी से बिक जाती है, लेकिन मोहब्बत ... Who said this and in which film? Was it A. Preity Zinta in Koi Mil Gaya, B. Nawazuddin Siddiqui in Bajrangi Bhaijaan, C. Sunil Shetty in Border, or D. Priyanka Chopra, Bajirao Mastani? Have you seen all these films? Anyone?
I have seen Koi Mil Gaya
Okay.
and I have seen Border.
Okay. Yeah. Do you think it's from either of those or not?
कोई मिल गया में ऐसा लाइन किसको नहीं है?
Vaibhav, you can also think out loud if you are thinking.
I'm trying, but I can't.
No.
प्रियंका चोपड़ा and बाजीराव मस्तानी. I think it's between the movies I haven't seen.
Also, by the way, you not seen Bajrangi Bhaijaan?
तूने देखी बजरंगी
high-
भाईजान? Okay.
hard
I haven't
recommend.
seen. Border.
One of the better movies India.
ये पिछला वाला वो गदर था.
जी हाँ.
Okay.
Yeah.
इसमें सुनील शेट्टी, Border. I can't remember much. Okay. And बाजीराव मस्तानी.
ये सुनील शेट्टी जब बॉर्डर किया था ना, उसका नाम ये वाला सुनील स्पेलिंग नहीं था.
कैसा क्या था सर?
जो ओरिजिनल था उसका.
ओ क्या EIL?
सुनील गावस्कर वाला सुनील. हाँ, सुनील पाल वाला
Bro,
सुनील.
यही तो ट्रिक है.
Tricky
question.
Very हाँ, okay.
So that eliminates Sunil Shetty, is it?
No, that doesn't.
that way?
It's just.
Does it not?
No, I don't know. It's up to you guys.
I would say Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Bajrangi Bhaijaan is what Anirban is saying. Vaibhav, what do you think?
What a guess. Now, let me
Deduce.
try.
Yeah, you got the right answer. Last
कोई
one,
मिल
right?
गया में प्रीति जिंटा. ओके, नफरत बड़ी आसानी से किससे? जादू से नफरत तो कोई करेगा नहीं. आई डोंट थिंक मोहब्बत कर सकते हैं.
Are you imagining someone doing mohabbat with Jadoo?
I'm just thinking, is there a different angle where Preeti Zinta loves Jadoo also? She's like tied ki Jadoo, yeah, Hrithik.
Oh yeah, she actually liked Jadoo, but then Jadoo left. Like, oh, I'm stuck with Hrithik now.
Hrithik was also a little weird in that movie, so maybe
Correct,
she's
yeah,
like,
the
you know,
weirdness.
set. मेरे को
She likes the extra thumb thing.
also commitment चाहिए, settled नहीं है.
हाँ,
Jadoo is
correct,
settled in
yeah.
life थोड़ा सा.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Maybe.
That's true. Yeah.
Nawazuddin Siddiqui in Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Yeah.
Wasn't that a Salman Khan movie?
But Nawaz was also in it. Yeah. Nawaz plays like a journalist character.
Reporter.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, don't make it sound like, oh, अब समझ में आ जाएगा.
It's like
I'm trying to.
याद कर.
I'm trying to help,
I
I'm
have
trying to
not
help.
seen the movie and I don't want to, but नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी नफरत बड़ी आसानी से बिक जाती है. I don't think नवाज को इतना अच्छा डायलॉग देंगे. सलमान को ही दे दिया होगा. That's as clear as it is.
Oh, Salman must have
You
been
guys
like,
agree, right? ऐसे थोड़ी करेंगे.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
come on. सुनील शेट्टी in Border. नफरत बड़ी आसानी से.
नफरत बड़े. आसान है.
नफरत बड़ी आसानी से बिक जाती है. लेकिन मोहब्बत. And प्रियंका चोपड़ा in बाजीराव
अजय
मस्तानी.
मस्तानी.
Oh, feel आ रही है. कुछ feel आ रही है. I think this seems like a very like you know कि ऐसे एकदम full candles का light है हर जगह and then नफरत बड़ी आसानी से बिक जाती है. लेकिन मोहब्बत और फिर बोल के कोई चला गया. Complete नहीं किया.
लेकिन
Perfect
मोहब्बत
day.
क्या? लेकिन मोहब्बत क्या? अरे God,
वो गूंजता रहता है आवाज.
हाँ, yes.
मोहब्बत
क्या?
मोहब्बत तब तक वो गूंजता खत्म होता है तो वो चले जाते हैं. So they don't have a chance. I think it's Priyanka Chopra Bajirao Mastani.
Okay, you're saying
Sounds
D.
like that.
You're saying D. Priyanka Chopra, Bajirao Mastani, and Anil Banat said B. Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Bajrangi Bhaijaan. The correct answer is Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Bajrangi Bhaijaan is correct. Yes. Anil Ban. Very good. Very good.
हाँ.
This is
safety slide.
saved. It's the bear slide. So I don't go to the answer. I'm saying, and this is a bear on the slide. You get it?
I thought this is just very good method acting by Nawazuddin.
Just because it's
Here, we have
after
to
every
be-
nice. All right, Nawaz was right. Full 5 points for Anirban as well. The last one in this game, guys.
Wait a minute.
Yes.
I want to like you know
Please.
whatever like बीच में ऐसा objection कि
Yes,
I
yes.
think इसको पता था.
के क्वेश्चन क्या आने वाला है?
नहीं कि ये आंसर है.
तो अच्छी बात है ना?
No, but it's not natural, no. It's very weird. Why would he know? I know Anirban for very long. I
Yeah.
don't think you can know.
Also that, and also
Did you know?
he hasn't
I
seen
took
the
a-
movie.
I took a guess.
Oh, okay.
Because I don't remember in Koi Mil Gaya and Border. And abhi out of Bajrangi Bhaijaan and Bajirao Mastani, I thought that Bajrangi Bhaijaan has like Pakistan element in it. So then Nafrat, that was my thing.
Fair enough. Fair enough. That's good. See, good deduction. Man.
हाँ, but मैं प्रियंका चोपड़ा की आवाज में जो बोला वो देखा क्या मस्त था. वो ज्यादा फिट नहीं बैठ रहा था.
Better.
कि कोई उससे मोहब्बत नहीं कर रहा है और वो
Correct.
लेकिन ये मोहब्बत.
I think it was in Bajirao Mastani also,
Ah.
this dialogue. So I'll accept Vaibhav's answer also. No, I won't.
I just feel I'm just telling you I think it should have been there. But yeah.
It should have been. Okay, a note to the directors of these movies, guys. क्यों नहीं है ये dialogue बाजीराव मस्तानी में? संजय लीला भंसाली, get with the times, dude. Whatever. Okay. Next one and the last one in this game. शादी is दाल चावल till 50 साल till you die. अरे लाइफ में थोड़ा बहुत कीमा पाव, टंगड़ी कबाब, हक्का नूडल्स भी होना चाहिए ना? Who said this and which film? Was it Ranbir Kapoor in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani? B. Salman Khan in No Entry? C. Aftab Shiv Dasani in Masti? Or D. Abhay Deol, Dev D? Ye Jawani wasn't fitting in one line, so I had to decrease
ये
the font.
किसका है?
ये
मेरा
starting
है ना?
with Abhay, yes.
Okay. Starting में मतलब तू तो last बोला.
नहीं मतलब the first you guess you'll take and then anyone will take. शादी is दाल चावल till 50 साल
No,
till
no,
you
I
die.
can read. It's okay.
In case someone is listening to only audio. अरे लाइफ में थोड़ा बहुत कीमा पाव, टंगड़ी कबाब, हक्का नूडल्स भी होना चाहिए. Who said this and which film?
You said it 2 minutes ago.
But not in a movie. Sorry.
रणबीर कपूर इन ये जवानी है दीवानी हो सकता है.
Okay.
हो सकता है because he was trying to impress Deepika Padukone. I've seen this movie. This is the one where he wants to be a traveler.
Correct. Exactly right.
Right?
Yes,
एकदम
yes,
right है ना?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So इसमें वो उसको ऐसा कुछ बोल सकता है. ट्रेन में बैठे हुए, कैंप में है, भूख लग रही है. खाली मैगी और कुरकुरे पे कब तक?
Fair. Fair.
So this can be like, you know, see, I'm showing you the entire universe sitting in snow,
yeah.
trying to woo her.
ये like टंगड़ी कबाब खा. Right?
Something like
हो
that.
सकता है.
Was she vegetarian?
I don't know. Maybe that's why. He was trying to trick her.
No, maybe then it fell flat. That's why she was like, नहीं but यार तू non-veg है तो मैं शादी नहीं करूँगी. Maybe something like that happened. I don't know. I don't remember the movie.
Oh, okay.
But I remember seeing this. Okay. Could be. Let me just put it in my front pocket. Salman Khan, no entry. I don't think इतना बड़ा dialogue.
Excellent.
उसको दिया ही नहीं
I don't think this is
Great
six
hack
scenes.
you have taken.
This is 6 scenes, bro.
एक हफ्ता लगा इसको शूट करने में.
He could make 3 movies. एक कीमा पाव बनाने वाला, एक टंगड़ी कबाब बनाने, हक्का noodles खाने वाला. Dal Chawal is just another movie in itself. Aftab Shivdasani, I don't want to answer that. I haven't seen Masti, so I'm not. Shadi is Dal Chawal could be. Masti सोच के तो ऐसा लग रहा है. The class goes.
Yeah.
And Abhay Deol in Devdi, no way, yeah. नहीं Abhay Deol saying, oh, this is a very tricky one.
Yeah. Anyone, any
In
thoughts?
Devdi, तेरे को क्या लगता है?
मेरे को लगता है मस्ती.
I think Masti.
ये झूठा है ऐसा.
तू जो बोलेगा मैं वही आंसर देगा क्योंकि अभी हम लोग इक्वल है. हमें छोड़ेगा ही नहीं तेरे.
तू झूठा मैं मक्कार. I know another movie. Title. I haven't seen the movie, but I know the
Okay,
title.
okay.
Yeah. Okay. Abhay Deol in Devdi sounds very like
बोल दे.
मन तो वही कर रहा है ऐसे. आफ्ताब शादी वन लास्ट टाइम शादी इस दाल चावल की 50 साल till you die इस दाल शादी के लिए कुछ बोल रहा है. तो ब्रो आई हैव अ फीलिंग इट इज आफ्ताब कि मस्ती में इट इज ऑल छिछोरापन. आई एम अज्यूमिंग
Yeah, it is.
it is one of those.
Yeah,
right?
correct,
you're
correct,
right.
है ना?
You have in fact overestimated it.
तो वो छिछोरेपन में शादी को इतना डिग्रेड करके ऐसा बोलना कि
Yeah.
वो कीमा पाव है, टंगड़ी कबाब है, हक्का नूडल है. I think it's possible. So I'm just gonna say Aftab. Not because Anirban said it. I think he's trying to throw me off. But yeah,
Fair enough. Yeah.
I think
So,
Aftab in
Whoever
Masti.
says C, Aftab Shivdasani Masti. Anyone?
Same.
Okay, both of us saying Aftab Shivdasani Masti.
Yes.
The answer is wrong.
Okay, nice.
It is not.
Wait.
that. Okay, now for 2.5, I'll give you a hint.
Okay.
Oh,
The hint is, it is one of the 3 remaining. Hey, no. The hint is,
let me tell you what the hint is. You're going. Shadi is dal chawal till 50.
oh, nice, great hint. Yeah, that was. The hint is, this movie has. Yeah, what hint can I give? There's
Okay,
no-
without
yeah.
your hint.
Without your hint. Yeah.
ये देख.
Without hint.
Yeah, at the border. क्या without hint? तू बोल दे बोलना
अच्छा,
है कैसे?
oh.
अभी मैं बताता हूँ. I want to guess A, but अब तू hint दे फिर मैं बताता हूँ A बोलना है कि नहीं.
Acha, okay. Someone in the movie wears spectacles.
खुद के ख्वाब बुन रहा है.
Who are the main cast members of the movie wear spectacles?
I think Ranveer Kapoor then. Ranveer Kapoor ये जवानी है दीवानी.
Alright. You're saying A, Ranveer Kapoor, Ye Jawani Diwani,
कौन है चश्मा कौन पहनता है?
Anirban.
मैं क्यों बताऊँ? मैं बताऊँ आफ्ताब. मस्ती में.
तू क्या बोला?
मैं रणबीर कपूर देख सलमान खान की मूवी में तो चश्मा किसी को भी नहीं पहनाएंगे. I don't think सब.
ठीक है मैं भी फिर
एक वैनिटी वैन में लेसिक सर्जरी हो.
He really takes care of his people, dude.
जिसको
Good
जिसको
guy.
चश्मा है सबको ठीक
Yeah,
कर
yeah.
देंगे. It's like a set clinic.
Yeah. Since the accident, he's like, I've got to make sure my eyesight is fine. That's not the problem. Anyone, anything?
I will go with Weber.
Go ahead.
Option 5.
Yeah, sometimes I do wear specs. Yeah.
So, are both of you saying A, Ranveer Kapoor?
Yes,
Ye Jawani
yes. Now I don't want to
Alright.
like lose.
Diwani? Drum roll, please.
Bro मजा आ जाएगा अपने अगर चार.
It is correct. Ranveer Kapoor is correct. Yes.
Shit. I wish अपने दोनों एक और लेते.
That brings us to the end of game 1, guys. Very cool. What a game. Very well done. Let's see where we stand at the end of game 1. Vidhi, what are the scores right now?
Anirban is at 7.5.
Woo! Yes,
Oh,
7.5.
sorry.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Very cool. Very cool.
No communism.
Nice. 7.5 each, and the audience is at 0 right now.
Together we are 15. I would like to say.
Hey, nice. The next game we're going to be playing, guys. This is buzzer based.
Okay.
Okay. How is the game?
किधर है?
I'll tell you.
ऐसे बड़े से 7.5 खतरे में.
No.
कौन सा है मुझे?
मेरे को लगा मच्छर आया तू मार रहा है.
ये बजर आई होप अच्छा है. It's like very nice.
मेरा भी है. Everything, a natural touch to eco-friendly buzzer.
How this game works is I will read the plot description of a very popular mainstream film.
Okay.
You guys have to buzz in with a unique mouth sound that you make with your mouth each time. It can be ouch, it can be uima, aila, whatever you want it to be, can be a buzzer. Whoever buzzes in first gets to go first. But you have to say the answer in the form of a question because it's Bollywood Jeopardy. This is Jeopardy. So if you don't ask another question and I catch you on it, I will let the other person steal even though you might have been right.
Got it.
Okay?
Wait a minute.
Sorry, please go ahead.
Any sound मतलब तेरे को कैसे पता चलेगा वो
No,
buzzer
no,
है?
tell me the buzzer sound. We'll establish it.
Oh, we'll establish
Yeah,
it
yeah.
पहले से.
Or actually anything is also fine. But since you want to find plot holes in everything, Vaibhav, you say the points right.
It's not.
It's all good.
You make a road like Andheri and then you ask me मैं pothole ढूंढ रहा हूँ. It's just there. I'm just saying.
You are saying this show is Andheri. Yes.
What an insult. Andheri.
This is
He's saying it's under construction.
this game is rules in Jeopardy. I want to go ahead and ask you one main question.
Yes, please.
Can I just do this
can.
instead of like just going like
Happily.
a duck every
Yeah,
time?
yeah, happily,
Is that all
happily.
right?
Oh, wow. So liberating.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. I have an idea for a buzzer.
Whoever catches their thing
Yeah.
first,
Visual buzzer, you're saying.
Yeah.
I can do. But what if
Yeah.
someone is listening to only audio?
What if
That's
someone
fair.
can't see? What if
Like Kajol from Fana.
what if someone does not have internet? What if someone does not have voter card? मैं क्या करूँ उस चीज का? अरे, there can be many people who can't do many things. I can't cater
Okay,
to everyone.
okay.
Okay, wait. So let's think.
Let's think, yeah.
I was thinking stare long, but nahi.
Stare long मतलब?
Oh. That's your buzzer. नहीं, मैंने पहले आके ऐसा किया. Any mouth sound that you would like to go with for a buzzer? Great, perfect.
I hope you can see the difference.
I get it.
It's very distinct.
It is.
He had 7 clicks. I had 8. So you have to
Okay,
just keep on count.
ठीक है, I'll give one.
अभी अगर मैं तेरा तू बजर करते करते मैं आंसर दे देगा क्योंकि साउंड तो मेरा भी है.
He did 7 only.
Bro, I didn't know अपने वो movie बना दिए. तू मेरा मैं तेरा मैं तेरा.
I am pretty sure यही है.
That's the movie. He's just going the entire movie. All right, starting with the first one. Keep your buzzers at the ready. Dash, that is A. A dreams of becoming a film star, but his mother wants him to be a policeman. He ends up posing as a policeman to impress B, his love interest, and his mother causing him massive trouble. He ends up posing as a policeman to impress B, his love interest, and his mother causing him massive trouble. His love interest and his mother are not the same person, even though the plot makes it seem like that. They are not the same person.
Look at who's finding
I'm just preempting it. I'm preempting it.
Imagine pothole ऐसा. ऐसा pothole.
He ends up posing as a policeman, doesn't become it. He
Yes.
just
Oh.
con man kind of a thing.
Yeah, correct. Like a comedy of errors types, yeah.
Oh,
Another hint. Yeah.
Oh no.
this is too tough.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. See, there are no negative points. If you want to take a wild stab also, I want a wild guess, please go and do that. Then I'll give you a hint.
So dash इसमें अपने को दोनों dash बताना है and
Dash
actor
is
का
नहीं
नहीं.
है. Just tell me the movie. Dash
अच्छा.
I've said because I've hidden the name of the characters because sometimes it becomes very obvious because of the name of the characters.
I have a feeling तू दोनों dash बताएगा तो भी हम लोग लगभग वहीं रहेंगे.
हो सकता है.
But I don't want to speak for myself.
I think you're right in that
You are
regard.
speaking
For this
for
movie, you might be right.
both of us.
अच्छा तेरे को भी कुछ आइडिया आ रहा है क्या?
नहीं मेरे को.
पुलिस में ऐसे कोई बन के आया हो और फिर उसकी मम्मी उसको प्रॉब्लम कर रही है कि प्यार मत कर. I'm so clueless. dude.
Okay, bro, you're right. I think.
एक
So
दो
A is-
एक दो पहले बी या एक भर
हाँ, हाँ, भरते
एक भर पहले कोई.
अच्छा कोई एक भर दूं. I'll tell you A. The lead's name is Vishwas Rao. Vishwas
Bro, ये
Rao.
क्या चाचा विधायक है वाला उसमें जाकिर के साथ.
Only movie. Sorry.
Wait, विश्वास राव.
Yeah.
विश्वास राव. Can you also tell me who he is? Like ऐसे.
The actor.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm
Can I
forgetting.
tell you who B, the
नहीं,
actress
face.
in B is?
नहीं A विश्वास
A-
राव.
A might be
विश्वास
a
राव
little-
ऐसे मतलब.
Okay, give whatever
You know
are
Vishwas
giving.
Rao?
No, I don't know, but he's giving.
अच्छा B भी बता.
Okay.
चल ठीक
B
है.
is played by Ileana D'Cruz. Ileana D'Cruz.
And A is the name of the character or the actor?
A is the name of the character here.
Oh.
Vishwas Rao is the character, not the actor. I said the character. A is the character name.
Okay.
Yeah.
And B is the name of the actor
Like the character's name is Kajal, played by
Ileana D'Cruz.
Yeah.
But पहले वाले का तू बता नहीं रहा played by whom?
No, it's because it would make it very.
Very obvious.
I think.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Pass.
Nice. Wrong answer. Sorry.
Just wanted to get out of it. Now it's your problem.
Nothing at all.
Ileana D'Cruz. I'm very confused between Ileana D'Cruz and Diana Penty.
Yes, it is confusing. Ileana is Burfi.
या वही मेरे को तो वही आता था खाली यार बट आई डोंट थिंक मतलब रणबीर कपूर उसमें पुलिसमैन बनने का चाहता था आई डोंट थिंक सो
नहीं, उसका नाम विश्वास राव तो नहीं.
अरे उसका नाम बर्फी राव है.
नाम हो सकता है बट लाइक आई डोंट थिंक लाइक ही प्लेड अ लिटिल चैलेंज्ड थोड़ा सा
He did,
लाइक व्हाटएवर द पॉलिटिकली राइट वर्ड इज ही प्लेड दैट
Yeah.
एंड देन उनमें वैसा कोई पुलिसमैन बनाना हो कि भाई उनको पुलिस करने के लिए लाइक यू नो
Oh, ऐसा.
हाउ
Oh.
यू नो हाउ
Yeah.
अगर विमेन कुछ गड़बड़ करती है तो विमेन पुलिस ऑफिसर चाहिए पीटने के लिए उनको
Oh. ऐसा.
तो maybe you need a challenge officer for a challenge लोगों को पीटने के लिए it's that might not be
Should I help you further? I'll
That
minus-
movie is Baraf. Like slightly different.
I'll minus one more point.
You
and
what?
I'll minus 1 point from the total points you can win, and I'll tell you one more hint.
oh मेरे को लगा ये ऐसा क्या किया मैंने जो मेरे पॉइंट छीन ले रहा है यार
आपसे नहीं.
हाँ
So, the title of the movie has the word hero in it.
you enjoying this aren't you
Oh yes, very much
it's
so.
almost like you know क्या पांचवी पास है ये playing with
Yes, sure.
फटा पोस्टर निकला हीरो.
But Anirban didn't ask another question. Anirban did not ask another question. I let Vaibhav steal. I let Vaibhav steal. He didn't ask another question. Did you hear what it was? You had to ask another
yeah
question.
he said that famous dialogue जो है फटा पोस्टर निकला हीरो
Yeah, but he has to ask another question.
Give your answer.
Like,
Give your
what
answer.
is this the plot of?
What is your answer? What is your answer? You don't fucking.
Okay.
Give your answer. You give your answer, but you have to buzz before that. Otherwise, you are not.
और कोई थोड़ी बचा है it's
Buzzer
okay.
I'll allow.
नहीं तो
but
फिर
say
से
your
मैं
answer.
करेगा.
What's
okay
your-
फटा पोस्टर निकला हीरोइन
Yes.
what is it
Thank you, Vaibhav. So
Nobody
happy.
gets points. I said you have to ask it, so nobody gets
तू
points.
उसको बोल ही दे रहा है कि वो सवाल नहीं पूछा है तो तुम सवाल नहीं बोलने का.
I'm just saying it. I caught you, so I could let him steal.
okay wait so he gets another chance to
No, he
rectify his
doesn't.
answer
He doesn't. It goes to the audience. No, it doesn't. Okay. So you have to ask it as a question. This is Bollywood in Jeopardy. You have to say, is this the plot of this movie? What is
you're
Phata
being-
poster nikla? Whatever. You know.
मैं कितना अच्छा आंसर निकाला यार.
Correct. Sorry. Well
you're
done,
being a
Anirban.
gand
Sorry,
chindra
man. The audience got it वैसे तो. But yeah, nobody gets points that one. Cool.
मैं बोला
Well
था
done.
ऐसे क्वेश्चन फटा पोस्टर निकला हीरो.
ये क्वेश्चन का फॉर्मेट तो ठीक है मतलब लेट्स नॉट बी जेपर्डी भक्स फॉर नो रीजन
So the thing is, right? Sometimes the answer is very easy.
yeah
Okay, because the movie plot. So a lot of us have seen these movies.
please easy subject
I'm just saying.
Easy
Subjective,
subjective.
You give
subjective.
90s movies, okay, please. उसके बाद से मेरे को थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम.
ब्रो
So-
तेरे को पहले बोलना चाहिए था मैं लिख के देता एक पेज के अंदर जो मूवी मेरे को पता है
पता है? अच्छा, okay.
हाफ पेज में हो जाता but- अच्छा वो एक्टर कौन था फटा पोस्टर में देखा हुआ नहीं
It's
एक्टर
Shahid Kapoor.
ओके
Shahid Kapoor. Yeah. Directed by Rajkumar Santoshi, the director of Andha Dhamma.
ओके
A man taken and locked up for 14 years without any sane reason is suddenly released and has 4 days to figure out why this was done to him.
उमर खालिद ओ बस
Give him
Okay.
points, give
You
him
have to cut
points.
all of this.
I think he deserves some points. Very nice.
That was amazing. What?
व्हाट आई डिड नॉट बस इसलिए गलत है क्या
नहीं गलत सही है.
सही है.
You
But
give him
yes.
some points. He deserves some points.
Yeah, he does. Give Vaibhav 2 points because that was too great an answer.
I did not know there is an alternate way.
All of
Hey,
it.
then can I also say Umar Khalid and get 2 points?
I think
Sonam Wangchuk.
this
Okay,
applies to
उसके लिए I get it.
this applies to Venezuelan President Maduro also.
Bro, what a
Without any
futuristic
sane
question, dude.
reason. Yeah, sorry. Any guesses at all? Either of you?
Wait, a man taken locked up for 14 years without any sane reason is suddenly released and has 4 days to figure out why this was done to him.
Yep.
Okay.
थोड़ा हिंट मांग लेते हैं.
हाँ मतलब मैं शुरू में तो मैं बैटमैन बेन वहां पहुंच गया था बट आई डोंट थिंक दिस इज बॉलीवुड में हो सकता है कॉपी किया हो वी नेवर नो
So I'll tell you, this movie has Lara Datta.
नीड मोर
This movie has Lara Datta and John Abraham also.
कुछ है ऑर्गेज्म जिस्म अरे क्या है यार वो अरे जिस्म
Orgasm, jism. I get why you got confused because of the last 2 letters. Beauty. Kuch best answer. Better than Umar Khalid. My goodness, what an answer.
कुछ नहीं है राइट नहीं है क्या
No, it's wrong. You're wrong.
Is it because I did not do
No, your answer is wrong. Your answer is wrong. Anirban, anything?
Any hint? You
I
gave, yes.
I gave, no, Lara Datta and John Abraham.
More.
Vaibhav can't take more guesses right now. Anirban, if you have anything, you can put out there.
What a
Lara
dictator
Datta and
dude.
John Abraham. Man,
Lara Datta, John
I have
Abraham.
no idea. No, I have no idea. You give
Lara
me.
Datta.
So I think we've already given the hint.
I
So now
know
it's
one
only
more movie of John Abraham
Okay, what is it?
फुटबॉल वाला कुछ था
No,
Goal,
that's
goal,
again
goal.
not the one.
I did not guess. I gave you a hint. Don't just. What is this?
Is
What
this Dhandanathan
Don't-
goal? Oh no, it's not. Okay, sorry.
No, Arey, don't just frame a question. I did not guess. I did not do. Also, please don't take that as an answer. Now say what you wanted to say.
I'm saying it throws to the audience now.
Arey,
Zinda. Again, you have to say it as a question, guys. Nobody has points. No, it's okay. It's movie Zinda. Have you seen Zinda?
oh, it is right. Yeah. No, I have not seen.
Oh, yeah. I think very underrated.
How can you
movie.
say oh to that after all this? It's very obvious. Like, this is one of those moments where I always feel like जैसे कौन बनेगा करोड़पति में ना वो audience poll कर देता है
Yes.
question and I have a feeling like इनको क्यों पता होगा I don't think it seems like a question जो कि लोगों को
Dude,
पता
you
होगा
surprised.
अमिताभ बच्चन को देखने आया है.
Yeah.
Suddenly पूछ
मैं
रहे
वहाँ पे आया हूँ बाजू में गन्ने का जूस पीने आया था
So a
मैं
lot of
audience
the fans
में-
of this show are just mega into every single thing about Bollywood.
I'm
They'll-
sure, I'm
like
sure.
I'm sure if I had read even like the first top line that up till for 14 without even years, they
इसमें
would
क्या वो संजय दत्त भी है?
Sanjay is the guy who gets.
Yeah.
This is old boy. का Bollywood version basically.
Oh shit.
Anyway.
Yes.
You know what I'm thinking? मैं तेरे को एक शो में बुलाऊंगा जहाँ मैं सिर्फ लॉज ऑफ फिजिक्स पढ़ाऊंगा ठीक है फिर मैं बोलूंगा हिंट दूंगा एक
Let's do it.
एक काम करना उसमें मेरे को मत बुला.
Okay. Movie number 3. Keep your buzzers ready, guys. A and B's life are troubled. Sorry, A and B's lives are troubled after their womanizing friend C sets them up with a hooker named D, leading to web of lies and confusions.
leading to web of lies
web of lies.
web of lies you heard it too right yeah what is this MBA question ठीक है let us figure it out
A and B's lives are troubled after their womanizing friend C sets them up with a hooker named D, leading to a web of lies and confusions.
seems like a plot of I Am Ahmedabad वो जो था अर्जुन कपूर वाला
Oh, what?
हो सकता है।
What?
वो कुछ आई एम में शूट हुआ था ना वो जो मैनेजमेंट क्या वो चेतन भगत का बुक से
Two states.
हाँ थैंक्स ओ तो वो आंसर तो नहीं है इन लोग इतना ऑब्वियसली बोल दिए तो आंसर थैंक्स नहीं तो इन लोग दे
Don't
वुड हैव
say-
शाउटेड आउट
Don't say the answer even by गलती से guys. Wrong answer देना दे सकते हो तुम चलेगा.
हाँ 2 states में 4 स्टेट हो गया ये तो okay C sets them up with a hooker named D womanizing friend C I'm assuming C is male
Yes.
okay A and B's life are troubled after their womanizing friend C says them with a hooker named D leading to web of lies and confusion I don't know why full वो ऐसा मस्ती no entry
वैसा ही लग रहा है
कुछ वैसा ही है कि 8-10 जन है उन लोग आपस में नंग धड़ंग घूम रहे हैं कुछ तो
You're thinking along the correct lines. Yes.
Yeah?
Yes, you're thinking along the correct lines. You're right. Yes.
मस्ती ज़्यादा.
Not masti zade. Anything at all?
दो तीन और ही है. दो
Thinking
तीन
is
और.
right. It's that zone of film.
See, it could
okay
be.
so it can't be मस्ती it can't be no entry because वो तो मैंने blurt कर दिया और तूने बोला नहीं कुछ so
It
और ये
could-
मस्ती ज़्यादा
It
कुछ
could
बोला
be.
तो वो
It
भी नहीं हो
could be.
सकता
because masti depends whether it's 1, 2, 3 or 4. Okay, because all they are 4.
कुछ वो एक था ना क्या वेलकम टाइप ऐसा मूवी था कोई, उसमें भी बहुत सारा था. नहीं लेकिन वो ऐसा नहीं था. ओके ए एंड बी लाइक
वेलकम नहीं होगा तो थैंक यू होगा, कुछ ऐसा ही है.
फ्रेंडसी says the hooker named D.
Can I just help you a slight bit without minusing points?
Please,
Vaibhav,
yes.
You just said the name of the movie. Just said it.
So now
Less than
you
a minute
have
back.
you
Yes.
Welcome.
No. But you can't guess anymore.
Dude, your definition of just is very weird.
You just said it like a minute, within a minute, huh?
no entry.
He didn't ask another question, Vaibhav. I'll let you stay.
Entry. What is no entry?
No, he already said it. He said entry.
That was my new code word for buzzing.
No. That cannot be.
Nobody gets points. Sorry.
अरे यार ये क्या? अरे नहीं
You have to say, ask another question.
No, you have to ask.
Ask another question.
You have to क्या ये वो है?
No
ऐसा
entry
कुछ.
है.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Hey यार, don't be stickler for rules.
अरे what is this?
नहीं मैं जीतना चाहता हूँ पर ऐसे नहीं. मैं जीतना चाहता हूँ पर ऐसे नहीं. कभी जीतने के लिए
Shahrukh, oh my God, Shahrukh. Cool. So again, nobody gets points.
अरे यार सही में?
He didn't ask it?
No, he did not ask it. He said entry. He went for
Is
the
it-
joke. He went for the joke.
नहीं but in my head I was saying is
No,
it?
no, in-
like हाँ.
That
It is like
I also in my eyes also was saying that only. Because my eyes was.
मेरी आंखों में देखो.
अरे but what if someone is only listening?
ऐसे question mark था. No entry. ठीक है.
Okay, we'll give Vaibhav 2.5 for that. Cool.
Really?
अब ठीक है यार.
मैं भी उतना ही
I'm
गलत था
not a
जितना ये
stickler
था.
for points. Rules stickler for points, not
नहीं
that
उसको
much.
दे दे उसको दे यार.
But I can't. That's literally the rule.
नहीं चलेगा तेरे को जो.
चल ठीक है,
Sorry,
ठीक है, ठीक है,
sorry,
ठीक है.
sorry. Okay, we'll do one more in this game and then move on to the next game. We have quite a few to get to. The next one, keep your buzzers at the ready. After an incident in Kashmir, an intelligence agent is selected for a secret mission by the PM's joint secretary to contain terrorism by rendering Dash ineffective. Dash
Incident Kashmir.
also serves as the name of the movie.
Joint
The Dash.
Secretary. To
This
contain
is
terrorism
one of
by
the many
rendering.
recent.
अरे वो तुम लोग क्या बोले थे?
Yes.
फिजा.
No, not Fizza.
What the fuck?
Not Fizza.
I don't know एक याद आ रहा था ऐसा कुछ.
कश्मीर बोला तो उसको ऐसे कुछ पिज़्ज़ा टाइप बोलना था.
I forget the plots completely of the movies I see also.
Rendering Dash ineffective.
Rendering.
something-
Was he like an editor?
No. No, he wasn't.
Rendering dash ineffective. What is dash? Like a hero?
That is also the name of the movie is also there. That is also the name
Secretary
of the
to contain terrorism by rendering Dash
Again,
ineffective.
only anyone can guess right now till the hints round because Vaibhav has already taken a guess. Anyone, anything at all?
This is incident in
Kashmir, bro.
Kashmir. नहीं, this is like.
फना होगा.
No, I have to know.
Yes.
गलत
yes.
आंसर मैं क्वेश्चन फॉर्मेट में दे रहा हूँ.
Okay.
ठीक है. Is it?
मेरा फिजा इसलिए गलत था कि मैं is it फिजा बोल.
It's not Fizza.
Pathan.
No, it's not. Pathan. I will tell you this movie. Now the thing is, if I can tell you the lead, but I'm not sure if it will help you. But let's see. Yami Gautam is the lead of the film.
Yami Gautam is the.
Is
बाला
is the-
बोल रहा है
is
but I
the-
don't think it fits.
she's the intelligence agent who is selected
हाँ.
for a secret mission. Yes, yes.
Is it Uri?
Not Uri. Not Uri. Anything at all, Vaibhav?
मेरे को बाला ही लग रहा था. but
So see,
बाला तो नहीं.
I just if you just read it again,
यामी गौतम ना.
अरे मैं जो बाला तो दूसरा.
वही तो ना बहुत.
If you just
दूर
read
है.
again.
I don't think he can misjudge the movie so much.
is selected for a secret mission by the PM's joint secretary to contain terrorism by rendering Dash ineffective. Rendering this thing ineffective.
अरे यार वो कौन सा था? विकी कौशल और
वही मैं
तापसी
बोल-
पन्नू वाला.
हाँ.
विकी कौशल और तापसी पन्नू थे ना. नहीं विकी कौशल किसमें था ना वो ऐसा
Wait,
आर्मी.
he said Uri. It's not. that.
ओ वही है क्या?
हाँ,
अच्छा.
not that. It's okay. So I think if you're not getting,
Wait, I.
yeah, if you're not getting, I'll throw it to the audience.
No, I don't think I know.
Okay, one person in the audience. Article 370 is right. Yes. Article.
Show off.
Cool. That's 2.5 for the audience. Very cool. Very well done. Guys, one last one in this game we'll do. Movie number 5. In this, keep your buzzers ready quickly. 6 bank robbers trying to pull off. Yes, you'll go first. I'll complete the question. 6 bank robbers trying to pull off the perfect heist. Discover one of them is an undercover cop. Anyone?
Kante, is it?
Five. That's fine. That's
What
fine.
is this leniency? वो
If-
वो एक्टिव
Yeah.
पैसिव वॉइस हाँ नहीं मैं
आपको
तो
भी-
वो ऑडियंस को देना चाहता हूँ
If
मैं
you
लास्ट में
remember
gift
to ask
करूँगा।
another question, even at the end, I will give
That's
it.
my
I'm reading it.
But is this right? I thought it's आंखें.
No, Akante is correct.
That is
Oh.
correct. Huh.
Yeah.
This is my
आंखें में भी तो ऐसे ही था ना.
I think 3 bank robbers. 3 blind bank robbers. Would be.
nice.
But थोड़ा सा I
Yes.
missed it. थोड़ा सा I missed it.
That brings us the end of game 2. Woo! Yes. Guys, this is a very new game. This is only the second time we're ever playing this game.
Okay.
It's called Combo Who. Combo Who. Okay. How this game works? Is I will name either an actor and an actor, or an actor and a singer, or an actor or a director,
Okay.
and a director in a combo as a combination. You guys have to buzz in and tell me one project, say a song or a movie that they've done together. As the moment you say one, I'll move on to the next category, and then you'll say one in that category, and then move to the next person, and the next person, and so on and so forth. Wherever you will get this, I'm sure.
तू करके दिखा.
100%. I'm not even worried that you guys won't get it. I'm
Okay.
so sure.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go. Keep your buzzers again, a buzzer round. Okay.
की में वजह ऐसे
Yeah, जल्दी. Keep it. ऐसा
how do I keep it right?
we can shorten it so that it's a quicker round.
Okay.
No worries at all. Okay. The first one is, give me a movie with Veer Das and Anushka Sharma in it. Veer Das, Anushka Sharma. Yes.
No, I take it back.
Anything
That is
Okay, no, I'll take one. It's Badmash Company.
Yes, Baba Kamre! Yes. Full 5 points. Quickly, moving on. Anil Kapoor, Juhi Chawla. Anil Kapoor, Juhi Chawla.
अरे वो जिसमें पति बेच देती है.
नहीं.
Anil
Nahin.
Kapoor and Juhi Chawla. Was she in that one?
Anil Kapoor, Juhi Chawla. I'll give you a quick hint. Govinda's also in the movie. Anil Kapoor, Govinda, Juhi Chawla? What?
Wow.
What?
Yes?
Deewana Mastana.
Yeah! So give him 2.5. I give him that extra Govinda.
Oh,
hint.
wow.
Okay. Next one is give me Kareena Kapoor, Abhishek Bachchan.
I don't want to say.
Kareena Kapoor, Abhishek. Yes?
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. Oh no, shit.
No.
That was the other.
Oh
name.
wait.
Yes.
Is this like a tricky thing? क्योंकि ये वो क्या अरे वो बहुत अजीब से गिटार बजाती है जो मूवी क्या था वो करीना कपूर बहुत ऐसा दर्द करके कर रही है अरे कुछ
Yes. Yes.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ मेरा सांस भी नहीं रुका अभी तक
जल्दी।
मेरा सांस ही नहीं रुका है
Okay.
दर्द खुशी
Khushi, no.
इज खुशी द आंसर
No.
नो आई मीन लाइक आंसर
No,
अरे
no.
मेरा buzzer बंद हो रहा है.
She wasn't in Khushi. Yes. Go ahead.
Refugee.
Refugee is right.
ओ हाँ फर्स्ट मूवी
Refugee also, मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ. Is that the guitar one you were saying? मैं प्रेम की दीवानी? That's guitar one. Yeah.
खुशी में नहीं था क्या
Khushi. Yeah. Okay, next one quickly. Jaya Bachchan and Saif Ali Khan.
What?
Yeah. Saif Ali Khan and Jaya Bachchan, Saif Ali Khan.
कभी खुशी कभी गम में था क्या वो कहीं पे
Saif Ali Khan. Maybe set पे गया होगा. But I don't think वो था कैमरा में.
Hi यार, मैं set पे आ गया यार. Hey, Kareena.
को जया बच्चन और सैफ अली खान.
Yes, hey Jaya Jay. Dude, you're amazing at these, dude. Is there one that you think you do spot on, like an impression?
I do some very well, but I have to see them first. I do all those 90s में था ना शाहरुख का भी करना है तो हक लाएगा. It's very
Yeah.
cringe to see that कि कोई.
Fair.
अच्छा एक सेकंड वापस क्या था
जया
ये
बच्चन
जया बच्चन एंड सैफ
Saif Ali Khan. You guys aren't getting it? I'll tell you.
पार्लियामेंट में गए किन लोग वो गया हुआ है क्या कुर्ता तो पहनता है वो घर पे पहनता
पता
है
नहीं इसका
Okay, I'll give you a hint.
Yes.
There is also Pretty Zinta in the movie.
क्या कहना.
No.
इज इट क्या कहना
No. This one you don't have to ask another question.
ओके
You can just say. But wait, Vaibhav, if you have anything before anyone gets another stab at it. Nothing? Yeah.
सलाम नमस्ते.
No, bro.
ओ
Yes, quick.
नहीं सलाम नमस्ते
अरे भाई.
वो कौन सा था ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जाके जो
I'll have to throw it to the audience. कल हो ना हो, guys.
कल हो ना
Okay,
हो।
okay, fine.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, quickly. We have a few more in this. Give me. Okay, Kajol, Salman Khan. Come on, guys. Yes.
खुश खुश का
Yes.
इज इट कुछ कुछ होता है
Yes.
Oh, my wife will be so proud.
खुश होता है. Is what you almost
कुछ
said.
हाँ,
खुश होता है.
yeah.
Nice. Okay, we'll do one last one. Give me Nana Patekar and Ritesh Deshmukh.
कुछ भी मांगेगा क्या okay.
Nana Patekar, Ritesh Deshmukh.
What the fuck?
नाना पाटेकर एंड
Ritesh Deshmukh.
किधर है?
रितेश देशमुख I have no idea about Ritesh Deshmukh इसमें but because it's Nana Patekar I want to say is it is it Welcome?
No, it's not like it. Anything, anyone?
No.
Okay, I'll tell you. Again, both of you are again in the playing. I'll tell you this movie has Priyanka Chopra also. Ritesh Deshmukh is there. Nana Patekar is there. Priyanka Chopra is there. It's considered a good movie.
Good movie.
Yeah, I would say.
Nana Patekar, Priyanka Chopra, Ritesh Deshmukh.
Like थोड़े हटके रोल्स हैं, especially नाना पाटेकर का.
Ritesh Deshmukh.
Nothing,
Most of
nothing at all.
Ritesh Deshmukh I know is that whatever no entry and masti and that.
Okay, fair enough,
that's
fair
all.
enough. So no. Okay, throwing it to the audience. Bluff master. Okay, that was great.
इतना
But
obvious था क्या?
the last two, you guys didn't get anything. So we'll do one quick last one. Give me Himesh Reshamya, Akshay Kumar. Give me a song basically. Himesh Reshamya, Akshay Kumar. A lot of songs. Yes.
Is it Tera se ru?
Akshay Kumar is not in the song. It has to be an Himesh.
But you said Himesh first.
But Akshay is not there at all. Even if it's second.
My God.
In a way he is.
Not in spirit.
नहीं
हिमेश
वो
तो singing
मूवी
वाला।
में वो मूवी में जहाँ पे ये गाना था
हाँ।
जो भी हिमेश वाला जो तू गाना आंसर बोलने वाला है
Okay.
उसी में उससे पहले ऐड आया था ना पैड वो बेचने वाला है तो अक्षय तो आया था ना
Okay. Sure, maybe. But
टेक्निकली
you can't be sure. Yeah. No, nothing. Anything at all?
हिमेश रेशमिया एंड अक्षय कुमार पैडमैन
I don't think the music.
खिलाड़ियों के खिलाड़ी
No, you can't take this. Very.
खिलाड़ी नंबर 1
Very nice. We'll throw to someone in the audience. Cost up. मेरी ज़ोहरा ज़बी दिलकते गम.
Oh.
या सता ये तेरी आए हाय या all the Namaste London songs.
Yeah.
Uh, ये वीरानियाँ. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Cool. Well done, guys. Very well done. This is the end of game 3 as well. Where do we stand, ma'am?
So, in this round, Anirban got 12.5. Total so far is 25.
Wow, what a jump. What a jump. Nice.
Vaibhav scored 5 in this round.
Okay.
Total so far is 17.
Okay, still anyone's game. Anyone's game. Absolutely.
And audience scored 7.5. And total is 10 for the audience.
Whoa! All right. Very cool. Very cool. Guys, the next game we're going to be playing is one of my favorite games. It's called Versus Versus. Okay? This is our most popular game. We get questions. This game can be a show in itself. Okay? We've gotten a lot of comments saying that. How this game works is I will read out the lyrics of the second verse of a very popular mainstream song. Okay? Why the second verse, you may ask? The second verse of any song is the least heard part of that song. Okay? Right? You get it. If you're listening to radio, very often they'll move on from after the first verse. If you're listening to music yourself, you'll be like, हाँ ठीक है हो गया after the first verse, move on to the next one. No DJ has ever even known that second verses exist. So never play. So second verse.
गया अब डीजे मारेंगे तेरे को
इसमें क्या options है?
No. So how this will work is I will first read the lines literally as a piece of poetry off tune. You guys have to recognize with your buzzer. Who recognize first gets to go first. If you don't get it without a hint, at this point if you don't get it, I will half read sorry, I will half sing each of these lines for half the points.
गवाएंगे इसको.
Man, आप इसको गवाते
We'll have a good time. Yeah.
This question is so subjective.
What if you don't sing properly? It's like, you know, कल हो ना हो जो भी वहाँ. I don't know.
It's completely off.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Buzzers ready? Are you guys keeping the same buzzer? You want to change the buzzers? Same buzzer.
I was about to say that should be the round. Lyrics इसके रहेंगे, गाना कोई और रहेगा.
Okay. ठीक है. Keep your buzzer ready. The first song का second verse का lyrics are as follows. कौली कौली गोरी तोहे छुओ तो मलाई जैसे छुओ तो मलाई रोम रोम दौरे रे बिजली मरोड़े कलाई जब तू मरोड़े कलाई.
कोई तो कुछ ऐसा कर रहा है. कोई कुछ ऐसा कर रहा है.
वापस बोल एक
Okay.
बार.
कौली कौली गोरी तेरे छुओ तो मलाई जैसे छुओ तो मलाई रोम रोम दौड़े दौड़े रे बिजली मरोड़े कलाई जब तू मरोड़े कलाई.
Bro, I have an idea.
Yes. Are you gonna act it out?
No, तेरे को guess लेना है.
वो वाला चिटिया कलैया.
No, not that.
एक बार, I think I know how to get this. Okay,
Okay.
let me try and visually see. एक बार देख Bollywood songs में जो words है वो exactly dance कर देते हैं ना. तू इधर आ, मैं दिल तेरे लिए. तो I just want to see क्या है. एक बार पहला line पढ़.
Okay, okay. कौली कौली गोरी तो है.
कॉली कॉली कर.
कौली कौली.
Okay. Kohli. Oh, that's okay.
How do we Kohli Kohli?
You can call him Kohli once in a while. That's okay.
That's all.
Okay, so Kohli
गोरी तो है
गोरी तो है.
छुओ तो मलाई जैसे छुओ तो मलाई.
छुओ तो मलाई जैसे.
Okay.
ऐसे तो कुछ आया नहीं है. और फिर
Okay.
कुछ कलाई कलाई है.
Yeah. The रोम रोम दौड़े रे बिजली मरोड़े कलाई जैसे जब तू मरोड़े कलाई.
Bro, this is kidnapping.
Okay.
वो क्या था ओथेलो का रीमेक जिसमें सैफ अली खान था.
ओमकारा.
हाँ. Is it Omkara?
No, it is not Omkara. You're guessing the song. But it's not from Omkara, but you're guessing the song, okay? Now I'll half sing for half the points, okay? काली काली गोरी तो है छुओ तो मलाई जैसे.
नुसरत फतेह अली खान.
No.
Oh, song. I'm so sorry.
Okay. काली काली गोरी तो है छुओ तो मलाई जैसे छुओ तो मलाई रोम रोम दौड़े रे बिजली मरोड़े कलाई जब तू मरोड़े कलाई.
No, that is in my head.
Yeah, that's right. That's what my singing
The
sounds
blank. नहीं.
Okay, I'll do it again. काली काली गोरी तो है छुओ तो मलाई जैसे छुओ तो
अरे ये ब्रेक मत करना. तू एक बार में गा.
वो ये half and half is supposed to be half and half. Okay.
तू एक बार में चारों लाइन
Yeah.
वैसा ही गा जैसे गाता है.
Okay.
हाँ, मतलब we know that.
It's supposed to be half and half. So रोम रोम दौड़े रे बिजली मरोड़े कलाई जब तू मरोड़े कलाई.
I have no idea.
Okay. Has anyone in the audience gotten it? Oh wow! You didn't have to answer. I was just asking yes or no questions.
I just want to know कितने लोग को पता था यहाँ पे. Like किसको इसको नहीं पता था. Just one person.
दो लोग को नहीं पता था.
Scorer and.
Scorer. Okay. The answer is Bedardi Raja from Delhi Valley.
Oh, okay.
Bedardi Raja. You know that song, right?
No.
You don't know this song? Okay. Next one. Keep your buzzers ready. Next one is as follows. ये दिल कहीं लगता नहीं क्या कहूँ मैं क्या करूँ. हाँ तू सामने ला 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 बैठी रहे ला 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 मैं तुझे देखा करूँ. तूने आवाज दी देख मैं आ गई प्यार से है बड़ी क्या कसम.
I think I know this. ये ऐसा.
अरे यार.
प्यार से है बड़ी क्या कसम. Don't say it out loud if you know the
No, I'm
answer.
just like detesting myself.
No,
for
you
not knowing
can
this.
say the
Yeah.
answer out loud.
एक बार वापस बोल.
हाँ I'll read again. ये दिल कहीं लगता नहीं क्या कहूँ मैं क्या करूँ. हाँ तू सामने ला 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 बैठी रहे ला 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 मैं तुझे देखा करूँ. Yes.
रुक जा.
So close. Oh my god, but not that.
Yes,
not
yes,
that.
I
Now
got
you
it, I
can't
got it,
take
I
a
got
hint. But so close.
हाँ,
Yeah.
understood. अरे it's the
रुक
other
जा
one.
का कुछ opposite type से. कि यूं ही चला चला
दूर
चलता
चले
जा
जा, चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में।
एक सेकंड, तू फर्स्ट दो वर्ड क्या बोला था?
या
फर्स्ट दो वर्ड
ये दिल कहीं
वो एक बहुत पुराना गाना है वो, ये दिल कहीं
Your-
लगता नहीं मैं क्या
क्या
ऐसा करके कुछ जो है।
एक बार तू ही बोल
नहीं उतना पार्ट मेरे को आता
Okay,
है।
I'll just say it as piece of poetry. Okay. ये दिल कहीं लगता नहीं, क्या कहूँ मैं क्या करूँ, हाँ तू सामने ला ला ला, बैठी रहे ला ला ला। Okay, wait, you can't take a guess yet. बैठी रहे ला ला
डांट
ला,
दिया।
मैं तुझे देखा करूँ, तूने आवाज दी देख मैं आ गई, प्यार से है बड़ी क्या कसम। Okay, you got it. But Vaibhav, do you not have it? Okay, Anirban, I can give it to you. Basically, you can take a hint. If you get it right now, I'll give you 4 points instead of 5 because
Yes,
it's second.
give whatever.
Go ahead.
हाँ, तुझे देखा तो ये जाना चाहिए। हाँ,
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना।
इसमें ये तो आता ही नहीं है।
याद है this part is ये दिल कहीं लगता नहीं।
Yeah, my wife will be
क्या
again pissed
कहूँ,
off.
क्या करूँ?
मैं वो कुछ होता है मैं पॉइंट्स गेन किया था। आई थिंक ये वाला कार्ड दो,
Yeah.
ये वाला कार्ड दो प्लीज।
तूने
आई एम गोना रिक्वेस्ट
आवाज़
पर्सनली।
दी, देख मैं आ गई, प्यार से है बड़ी क्या कसम।
अरे यार, shit, I got the
Nice.
movie and
Very, yeah, that was so close, man. That was very nice, very nice.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Next one. Keep your buzzers ready.
हाँ.
टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गया था हर सपना जब वो टूटा, टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गया था।
Okay, can I just sing the song because I don't know the title of the song?
He is going to say again.
I'll give you part.
टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गया ऐसा करके गाता है
Yes,
वो, वही वाला है ना?
you
कुछ
got the
केके
singer
टाइप का
right,
गाता है,
yes.
ऐसा टाइप का कुछ
You got
है।
the, yes, you got the singer right.
टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गया था ऐसा क्या है? आगे वर्ड्स बताओ थोड़ा सा।
Yeah. टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गया था हर सपना जब वो टूटा।
सपना जब वो टूटा,
Yes.
Yes,
टुकड़े
yes,
टुकड़े हो गया था।
टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गया था।
Yes, yes,
जब
yes.
सपना जब वो टूटा।
Yes, yes.
ना, 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 कुछ ऐसा ही
Yes,
है।
exactly right.
अबे अब तो देना यार, ये क्या
नहीं, I can't. Yes.
अल्लाह के बंदे।
ये ना, ये इसका ना आफरीन में सजेस्टेड आया था नेक्स्ट तो इसलिए इसको पता है, अदरवाइज आई डोंट थिंक इसको पता था। That was
कैलाश खेर।
बंदी।
So good.
ये केके एंड कैलाश खेर अलग अलग।
Yeah.
जस्ट क्लैरिफाइंग।
One is alive.
Also, Kareena Kapoor is not the KK. Okay, just saying.
Oh yeah.
There is another KK Menon also.
KK Menon. Karishma Kapoor Menon.
Oh, okay.
You know.
केके मैंने married again.
Why? Okay, let's go next one. Keep your buzzers ready. Okay, now we're going retro. Okay, by retro I mean 1970s.
Yes,
okay.
cool. Let's go.
The thing is, even though we might not listen to these songs, our parents for sure have heard them, and they still listen to these songs. So over the
ये
course
तो
of our lives,
केबीसी कर रहा है फुल, ऐसा स्टोरी भेजेगा पहले।
yeah, dude. So
Okay,
you
okay.
again, I want you guys to have
Okay,
some
okay.
ballpark.
आई लाइक इट कि नेक्स्ट टाइम कोई बोले तो कुछ हिंट आ जाए इसमें।
हाँ,
आई
correct,
गेट इट मैन,
exactly,
आई गेट इट।
exactly.
ओके ओके।
Okay.
हाँ.
Okay. बरखा से बचा लूं तुझे, सीने से लगा लूं, आ छुपा लूं, आ छुपा लूं। Then it repeats. बरखा से बचा लूं तुझे, सीने से लगा लूं, आ छुपा लूं,
अरे यार।
आ छुपा
हाँ नहीं
लूं।
वो रिपीट बोला मैं समझ गया था।
Okay.
तो
दिल ने पुकारा देखो, रुत का इशारा देखो, उफ ये नजारा देखो।
ये लास्ट वाला पार्ट ऐसा लग
एक
रहा
बार
है
तू
तो
फर्स्ट लाइन बोल के एकदम चुप हो जाना।
Okay.
ठीक है।
हाँ।
हाँ.
हाँ ये लग रहा है ना ये।
बरखा से बचा लूं तुझे, सीने से लगा लूं।
ऐसे मत बोल, तू जैसे पहले पढ़ा था ना वैसे बोल। बरखा से बजा लूं तुझे, बरखा से बजा लूं, सीने से लगा लूं, सीने से, ऐसे जो डिस्टर्ब करके बोलता है ना वैसे।
Okay. I'll go one. You mean one line slowly at a time is what you want?
नहीं सो अच्छा इसको गैस सोचने दे पहले, डीप थॉट।
मेरे को आ गया ट्यून पर।
क्या ट्यून है?
बरखा से बचा लूं तुझे, सीने से लगा लूं, हाँ लगा लूं, ऐसे कुछ
हाँ,
है।
आ छुपा लूं,
आ छुपा लूं।
आ छुपा लूं. Yes.
हाँ उसके आगे
Then the part that is different after that is दिल ने पुकारा देखो, रुत का इशारा देखो, उफ ये नजारा देखो.
ये दिल ने पुकारा, रुत का इशारा कुछ सुना सा लग रहा है, कुछ एक सॉन्ग्स में सुना हुआ है। रुत का इशारा, बट पता नहीं
वही है क्या? ए रुक, भीगी
उसको गाने-
भीगी रातों।
Yes. Oh bro, that was amazing.
That is the title of the song.
That's
the title of the song.
भीगी रातों में ऐसी बरसातों में. Yeah.
No, I was trying to say it to myself slowly.
Great. Well, I love this song, dude.
Yeah, it's a nice
yeah.
song. It's a
बरखा
nice
से बचा लूं तुझे सीने से लगा लूं आ छुपा लूं
nice.
दिल क्या दिल ने पुकारा देखो रुत का इशारा देखो उफ ये नजारा देखो ऐसा लगता है
Nice.
Very
ऐसा
nice.
लगता है
Yes, I think I am my parent. I only listen to this.
Bro, I also feel like all the songs I've heard जो मेरे मम्मी पापा सुने होंगे. Like I think that is all I know.
That was great, Anirban.
Yeah.
Want to do one more retro, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Retro? This is even older now, 1959.
Oh shit. ये नहीं मेरे दादाजी मेरे को सुनाया नहीं गाना. I
Again,
did not.
for sure. he
आलम
was-
आरा. सूर्यवंशी.
Nice. Okay. समझो 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 दीवाने की जबां प्यार जो ना होता ये जहां समझो 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 दीवाने की जबां प्यार जो ना होता ये जहां yeah that's it
ये वाला छोटा कर दिया तू.
मतलब I can give you more but it will just be a lot easier so if I
नहीं ठीक है
give
ठीक
you
है.
two extra
I'll go with
lines
your judgment.
after minusing 1 point but if
Should
I
we make him sing?
Yes, no, pass कर दे ताकि वो दूसरा ही.
I'll give you the extra 2 lines.
हाँ.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll read this and then I'll give you 2 extra lines for 4 points. समझो 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 दीवाने की ज़बां प्यार जो ना होता ये जहां ओहो हो तुम भी दिल देके ये गाना सीखो जी.
ये दिल
Yes.
देख के देखो
Yes!
दिल देख के देखो. ये लास्ट लाइन वाला is a giveaway. I see why you were hiding it.
Yeah, easy guy, right? yeah. Okay. समझो 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 दीवाने की ज़बां प्यार जो ना होता ये जहां. Okay, that's how it goes. Next one. That was very good, guys. You're going very well. It's not going better. Next one. Okay. ऐसी उदासी बैठी है दिल पे. This is more current पे. Okay. ऐसी उदासी बैठी है दिल पे हंसने से घबरा रहे हैं सारी जवानी कतरा के काटी पीरी में टकरा गए हैं. Yes.
दिल तो बच्चा है जी.
Amazing, dude. Amazing, dude.
Nice.
Wow. Did you think you would be getting these?
No, I listen to this song often.
Wow.
Yeah.
Great.
एक बार और बता कौन सा गाना है?
रात फ़तेह अली खान का.
दिल तो
Yeah.
इश्क दिल तो बच्चा है जी.
बच्चा
हाँ, that's a nice
है
song.
जी.
Yeah, I didn't know this part, but okay.
Okay, let's go. Again, this could be very easy. ऐसे डोरे डाले काला जादू नैना काले तेरे में हवाले हुआ सीने से लगा ले आ मैं तेरा ओ दोनों धीमे धीमे जले आजा दोनों ऐसे मिले. Yeah, that's it.
डोरे डाले.
पास.
Okay. No, anything?
Yeah, नहीं.
Should I go half for half then?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Uh,
half for
we
half
have-
is
we
as
have
follows.
We have
तू
to
fully
move on.
गा दे.
You'll get it. I mean, you're killing it, dude. You don't need more. Okay. Half for half is as follows. ऐसे डोरे डाले काला जादू नैना काले तेरे में हवाले हुआ सीने से लगा ले आ मैं तेरा ओ दोनों धीमे धीमे जले आजा दोनों ऐसे मिले.
आ भी जाएगा ना तो तेरा रिदम के कारण मेरा चला जाएगा. ये प्रॉब्लमेटिक है. अरे बाप रे बाप.
वो पहला
Oh
question
my god, I have never seen someone just like take away the answer. लेने नहीं दूंगा. अरे बाप रे. Wait a minute, वो
ऐसे डोरे डाले काला जादू नैना काले
तू चुप रह.
तेरे में हवाले हुआ सीने से लगा ले
कंफ्यूज कर रहा है.
मैं तेरा आ
अरे ये मेरे को पता है यार. एक सेकंड.
ऐसे डोरा डाले काला जादू नैना काले तेरे में हवाले हुआ सीने से लगा ले आ मैं तेरा ओ दोनों धीमे धीमे जले आजा दोनों ऐसे मिले.
What an annoying thing to do यार. एक बार फर्स्ट लाइन खाली एक बार गा. खाली फर्स्ट लाइन और कुछ मत गाना.
ऐसे डोरे डाले काला जादू नैना काले.
Okay, I want to visually tell you. I think it is that song जिसमें शाहरुख वो गुजरात के कच्छ में ऐसा
right.
साड़ी के साथ
right.
काजोल के साथ
Not Kajol, but you're right. It is
What
Shahrukh.
Shahrukh Khan? What?
कुछ शाहरुख काजोल के साथ गुजरात में साड़ी.
Not that.
But Shahrukh Khan is there.
Shahrukh,
लग रहा
yes, is there in the movie, yes, in this song. ऐसे डोरे डाले काला जादू नैना काले तेरे में हवाले हुआ सीने से लगा ले मैं तेरा
Yeah, I'm gonna be so annoyed by not getting this.
Okay,
Actually,
no
I'm
worries.
not gonna be, but it's obvious.
So I think I'll throw it to the audience then.
Yeah, उनको
Throw it to the audience. One person in the audience, please tell me. Manwa lage.
Okay, I was thinking something completely
You're
different.
thinking of Gerua? Yeah. you're thinking of
Gerua नहीं है क्या ये?
Not Gerua. Next one, keep your buzzers ready. This is, I would say, 90s. Okay, this is 90s.
Yes.
तेरी जुल्फों से खेलूंगा मैं, तुझको बाहों में ले लूंगा मैं. Yes.
जादू तेरी नजर.
Bro! No. You're almost there. Again, so Anirban can't guess yet.
Pause. हाँ, अभी तू गा थोड़ा सा आगे बोल.
Anirban can't guess now. Okay. तेरी
तू क्या बोला? जादू तेरी नजर
Yeah.
बोला ये. Okay.
तेरी जुल्फों से खेलूंगा मैं, तुझको बाहों में ले लूंगा मैं. तेरी जुल्फों से खेलूंगा मैं, तुझको बाहों में ले लूंगा मैं. दिल तो देते हैं आशिक सभी, जान भी तुझको दे दूंगा मैं.
अरे ये यार ये तो वो है.
मेरे होठों के
बस
गुलाब.
चुप बस
बोल. नहीं, I'm
Yeah, but
entitled to the
he's
question.
right. Yeah, I was right. मेरे होठों के गुलाब मांग ले, मेरी आंखों से
ये जब
शराब
गाता है
मांग
तो
ले.
और भी खराब
अरे ये-
रिदम गाता है, जब बोलता है तो गाने जैसा गाता है.
ये वही है ना, वो शाहरुख और काजोल वाली मूवी जिसमें वो फूल में ऐसे
हाँ
गिर
वही
जाता
है.
दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे इज द मूवी एंड द सॉन्ग इज एक बार वर्ड्स वापस बोल, फर्स्ट दो लाइन.
Okay.
गलत जोन में गया है.
Yeah, correct. आप गलत जोन में जा रहे हो थोड़ा.
अच्छा तब फिर ठीक है.
थोड़ा ही, but थोड़ा ही गलत जोन में जा रहे हो.
पास कर.
पास
Okay,
है.
तेरी जुल्फों से
नहीं
खेलूंगा मैं.
पास किया वो.
पास.
Yeah, पास.
Anirban for 4 points.
तू हाँ कर या ना कर.
Oh,
Oh, that's the same song.
wait.
I am only playing.
Oh God.
Okay. Now you can sing again. My bad, I stopped
You're
you.
exactly the same clothes as you were in the previous.
I am also playing your game, but with myself.
Okay.
एक बार तू वापस बोल.
Okay. Now should I?
हाफ एंड हाफ वाला वो जो
Half and half?
कीड़ा करता है तू.
Half
हाँ.
and half करो ना? Okay. तेरी जुल्फों से खेलूंगा मैं, तुझको बाहों में ले लूंगा मैं. तेरी जुल्फों से खेलूंगा मैं, तुझको बाहों में ले लूंगा मैं.
अरे बोल ही नहीं रहे तू वो पार्ट.
दिल तो देते हैं आशिक सभी, जान भी तुझको दे दूंगा मैं. मेरे होठों के गुलाब मांग ले, मेरी
तो अभी बचा क्या है
आँखों
इस
से
गाने में?
शराब मांग ले. मेरे होठों के गुलाब मांग ले, मेरी आँखों के शराब मांग ले.
तेरा जादू चल गया
ओ जादूगर, टूट गई टूट के मैं चूर हो
अभी तक टाइटल
गई.
नहीं हुआ ना. टाइटल मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
ओ
एक मिनट किसका
मेरी मजबूर हो
तू एक मिनट चुप रह.
गई. Yes, I'm quiet.
एक बोलना मत कुछ भी. हाँ.
नहीं लास्ट लाइन गा के चुप हो जा एक बार लास्ट.
नहीं. But Anirban, the thing is, you've already guessed. So
Yes,
I can
I
only,
know, I'm not
I can only
able
wait for Vaibhav.
I have already guessed means.
Even after the second one, you've already guessed. You said the same song.
अच्छा yes, I have said the same song. मजबूर हो गई
Okay.
तेरा जादू.
ऐसा लग रहा है.
Oh.
Is this not it?
So you are again. You are thinking along the same line, correct
हाँ.
lines. Shahrukh is there, yes,
हाँ.
but Kajol is not there. Instead of Kajol, which other actress is known to be collaborating?
शाहरुख के साथ थी.
Yeah, in the 90s.
यार मेरे को
What would
दिल
you
तो
say?
पागल है पता है. और क्या पता है मेरे को. Oh man.
Okay.
बाजीगर का हो सकता है कुछ.
तेरी
बात.
जुल्फों के. Oh, sorry. I'll read it again. Half off. तेरी जुल्फों से खेलूंगा मैं, तुझको बाहों में ले लूंगा मैं. तेरी जुल्फों से खेलूंगा मैं, तुझको बाहों में ले लूंगा मैं. दिल तो देते हैं आशिक सभी, जान भी तुझको दे दूंगा मैं. मेरे होठों के गुलाब मांग ले, मेरी आंखों से
मेरे को
शराब
तो गाना
मांग ले.
इतना ही पड़ा है. ऐसे लग रहा है ऐसे यही इतना ही तो था. मेरे को लग रहा है इसको नहीं
तेरा
पता.
जादू चल गया ओ जादूगर, टूट गई टूट के मैं चूर हो
क्या
गई
था उसमें यार? तू
जिद
तू
से मेरी
दिस इज लाइक वन ऑफ दोस सॉन्ग्स जो अंताक्षरी में ना तुमको पता नहीं है कि यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है, पर तुम आगे से स्टार्ट करते थे। ये अंताक्षरी में होता था बचपन में
ये
जब
डर का गाना है ना? ये
Yes.
डर का गाना है। तू से कुछ तो है
Yes.
इसमें। तू अरे यार आई शुड गेट इट यार। फकिंग
तू तारा नहीं, तू से क्या गाने पता है मेरे को?
तू लास्ट का दो
ओ
लाइन।
ओ तू हाँ कर या ना कर, तू है मेरी किरण।
मैं 16 मिनट पहले ये बोला था।
वो भी यही गाना 2 बार बोल चुका है You can't make this shit up.
ए तू लास्ट 2 लाइन गा के एकदम चुप हो जाना।
मतलब कौन सा? मेरे होठों के गुलाब मांग ले, मेरी आंखों से शराब मांग ले। That's it. तेरा जादू चल गया ओ जादूगर। Okay, I don't
You know,
even-
my daughter just
At
learned
this
today
point-
in school with
Yeah.
a teacher, 3 साल के, उसको टीचर ने सिखाया, and great philosophy. You get what you get, don't be upset.
तू मेरे
या
तू मेरे एक सेकंड तू मेरे
ना ना ना
तू है मेरी किरण वाला
नहीं।
ना? ये वही है, वही तो मैं।
अरे हम लोग पूछला गाना 2 बार करके गेस किया है। तू मेरे
Yes, तू मेरे
How is it not
एक
this?
सेकंड मैं एकदम मसल मेमोरी
See,
का
what am I doing?
मेरा my in this answer in giving this answer my kidney is also involved but I'm not getting it
So-
एक सेकंड
तू मेरे ये देख सीधा
तू मेरे
कदमों में गिर जा।
तू मेरे कट तू मेरे
रिफ्लेक्शन है, मिरर है।
तू मेरे सामने
ओ तू मेरे सामने।
God, dude. You just kept guessing the same song again and again.
dude this is just like a commentary on how every song is the same
Yeah.
this is like that
Yeah.
AIB like said that they used to do
But yeah, correct. You know, I do get confused between sometimes the same song, same movie ke different songs you do get confused with. Like this happens with me and multiple people I know happens Sayara. You get very confused with the songs sound similar.
Yeah,
Even though
yeah,
all good
very-
songs,
very
but
similar, yes,
Sound very
yes.
similar. Okay,
my god
great. Anirban,
सामने
we'll give Anirban 2.5.
उन्होंने बताया क्या?
नहीं
Okay, absolute last in this game. Okay, absolute last in this game. Very good. Last one. Hey, बिन तेरे ओ हसीना, मुश्किल है मेरा जीना, बता दे तू बता दे, करूँ मैं क्या? सॉरी बाबा सॉरी, ना तोड़ूंगी मैं यारी, दीवाने ओ दीवाने, करीब आजा। चल पिक्चर कोई देखें, होटल में खाना खाएं, डिस्को में जाके नाचें और गाएं हम। डिस्को में जो जाएंगे, मुश्किल में पड़ जाएंगे, क्यों बेचैनी को अपनी बढ़ाएं हम। वेरी सिंपल। Yes. Yeah.
is it कोई कहे
Nope. 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 So now Anirban can't guess till the hints round.
I want to
Read again.
नहीं,
Oh, okay.
I want to ask, ये सलमान और सुष्मिता सेन वाला मूवी है कुछ? डिस्को में जाएं कहीं? नहीं, फर्स्ट 2 लाइन एक बार वापस पढ़ेगा?
Hey.
मतलब मेरा तो टर्न हो गया, मैं मानता हूँ, बट अभी
तेरा कैसे टर्न हो गया
मैं ये कुछ इतना करके ये सब
Okay, just trying to be fair. Nice.
जुगाड़
I
करने की
like it,
कोशिश
I
कर
like
रहा था।
Hey. Hey बिन तेरे ओ हसीना, मुश्किल है मेरा जीना, बता दे तू बता दे, करूँ मैं क्या?
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get it. We should tell him to sing.
singing.
Half an hour
but that
sing.
singing is a
No,
opposite.
this one will
हाँ,
definitely.
sing actually would.
So
But
see,
ना वो एक लाइन गाएगा
the thing
ऐसा
is, no,
कुछ
हाँ,
कि फिर अपने को अंदर आ जाएगा कि ये कुछ है।
The thing is, some of the previous songs, the singing part was like it's
It should
almost
be
close to
after
very.
if we get it after the
speaking.
singing we should get 2 more points
Yeah, actually कि अब तो तू लेके दिखा।
You made it more difficult. Okay, so half and half is as follows. ए बिन तेरे ओ हसीना, मुश्किल है मेरा जीना, बता दे तू बता दे, करूँ मैं क्या? सॉरी बाबा सॉरी, ना तोड़ूंगी मैं यारी, दीवाने ओ दीवाने, करीब आजा। चल पिक्चर कोई देखे, होटल में खाना खाएं, डिस्को में जाके नाचे और गाएं हम। डिस्को में जो जाएंगे, मुश्किल में पड़ जाएंगे, क्यों बेचैनी को अपनी बढ़ाएं हम।
I'm still tripping over the last question.
एक लास्ट बार तू फर्स्ट 2 लाइन एक बार खाली गा।
ए बिन तेरे ओ हसीना मुश्किल है मेरा जीना बता ओके बता दे तू बता just think out loud please if you can because नहीं तो we're just being silent for too long
You sing quiet.
sing quietly why don't you
No idea. थोड़ा कुछ तो आ रहा था फिर
Line.
चला गया वो. हाँ.
I don't think I know.
okay throwing it to the audience let's see one person no you don't got it great okay so now I'll give you one more hint
हाँ.
okay
Ooh.
this
You'll
song
break it 3 times.
15 points. If you get this, 15 points.
this song has Govinda Krishna Kapoor.
Man, that is such.
Oh, do you know this step?
90 songs are there.
Do you know this step?
Yeah.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Oh. ये
Yes, yes.
What is mobile?
Yes!
number?
nice.
Wow. Did the step help you?
Yes, of course, the only thing.
Nice.
Nice.
Very nice.
Great. That brings us to the end of versus as well. What a game. What a game. What a fun time. Wow. Yes, ma'am, where do we stand at the end of game 4?
So the score in this round, Anirban got 23.5,
Whoa.
and his total is 48 points.
48 points. Huge, man.
And Vaibhav scored 4 points, and his total is 21 points.
Okay. Very good.
Audience scored 5 points, and the total is 15 points.
Okay, very cool. Vaibhav? Sorry, you can't win now. This is what it
What's
is.
the
Bro,
final
this is
score?
the point
What's
where you
final
flip.
score?
Yeah.
Double.
48-21.
Double or
Double
nothing.
points. Guys, the last
Double or
game
nothing.
has quadruple points now.
Are you going to dance also?
We're gonna move on to the last game, guys. This game is called Why So Critical. This is the movie review game. I have selected 11 lines from a movie review of a very popular movie. Okay, one by one, एक एक करके, I will read each of these lines. After each line that I read, or that is each hint that I give you, I will let you guess what movie it is. Okay, and if you get it at the very first hint, you get full 10 points. If you get it at the second one, you get 9 points, and so on and so forth.
How many questions?
11 questions in total. 11 hints to be given to you guys in total.
But one question.
Matlab, after each hint that I give you, after each line that I read,
I understand, but there is only one movie.
One movie. Yeah. So 10 points to be won in total, but we'll make it interesting. What are the points at right now? Again, could you repeat? 42.
So Anirban has got 49 points total.
Okay.
Vaibhav 21 points. Audience 15.
Okay. We'll make it 30 points.
So I have to get it in the first
We're
question.
gonna give it in first two.
And the first 2 I'll
तो
get it.
इसमें क्या एक ही question
नहीं
है?
3 तक रख. Make it 33 points.
33 points.
हाँ 33 points.
So you have a few extra. Okay.
Yeah.
Take it.
33 points.
33 points to be won in total in this game.
It's like
Let's go.
33
Okay.
points के लिए आपका अगला सवाल.
आपका अगला सवाल.
Yeah.
Vaibhav.
So you can answer as many times as you can.
No, so I'll read a hint. Vaibhav, both of you can take one stab.
Okay.
If neither of you get it, I'll
Per
do the next
hint,
hint.
one answer.
Per hint, one answer. Yes,
Okay,
correct.
cool.
One guess.
हाँ.
So to start off this, so to start off with, I'll tell you like what kind of movie you're thinking of. Okay, this movie released in the 2000s. That is between 2000 and 2010. So that decade. It is rated 6.8 on IMDb. So you know what caliber of movie you're thinking of.
Next.
Okay, and doesn't matter. But the reviewer whose review I have used is Raja Sen. So I thought I'll just give him credit.
Yeah.
Reviewed by Raja Sen. Okay, so again 2000s and 6.8 on IMDb. The first line from this review is that I've chosen is as follows.
Oh thank God! I thought that was the hint. I was like, इसमें तो मैं कुछ भी नहीं
No. Okay, the first line from the review is he overdoes his ebullient bounciness, and while he boasts of an enviably trendy wardrobe, a couple of fleeting moments are about all he manages. Still, while he may be the film's weakest link, he's mostly harmless, and the movie has enough laughs to shoulder him. They're talking about, of course, one particular actor in the movie.
And he's not talking about the lead here, is he? Could be, could not
Could
be.
be, yeah. Could be, could not be.
Ebullient bounciness.
That's a good observation, by the way. I would say you're thinking along the right lines.
Ebullient bounciness while he boasts of an enviably trendy wardrobe.
I'll read again in case someone is just listening to the audio. He well overdoes his ebullient bounciness, and while he boasts of an enviably trendy wardrobe, a couple of fleeting moments are about all he manages. Still, while he may be the film's weakest link, he's mostly harmless, and the movie has enough laughs to show.
How many guesses do we get?
One after this
Each hint.
after each hint, you get one guess each.
And
No negative points.
Can you sing this whole line in one of the songs from the movie?
Ram.
I want to say that करीना वाला जो मूवी था
हाँ.
उसमें ऋतिक was very ebullient bouncy.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I want to say that movie.
Oh.
एक मिनट वो क्या था मूवी? मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ.
Nope, it's not that.
Okay.
2000s.
2000.
But 2008
मैं
हुआ है.
प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ कब आया था?
Same.
2000s means 2000.
Oh, I was right that way also.
No, the year is yeah, the
2000 is
decade is right.
2000s मतलब that decade, right?
2000 2010.
हाँ, okay.
Yeah, that decade.
His steely while might be weakest link is mostly harmless, bounciness. Fucking bounciness.
मैं देवानंद सोचा था but वो बहुत
हाँ,
पहले
ये
और
वैसे
पहले का हो
कौन है
गया.
फिर ये सब वो तुषार कपूर he boasts of an envy trendy wardrobe, couple of ऐसा ही कोई कॉमेडी टाइप कुछ है शायद.
Bounciness.
Again, you can take a wider guess also. There are no negative points actually.
No, give the next one.
Okay.
Oh,
So you're
nahi.
passing this on, right? The next one. Okay. The next line is dash. That is, the actor rocks the film. In a commandingly restrained performance, the actor shows off top-notch comic timing to hilarious effect. Balancing subtle shifts of tone with wildly over-the-top slapstick, he manages to always get a laugh even when the script falters. So the script is not all that great, but this actor aces it.
2000 में good comedy movie.
Also, if I can give you an additional hint.
So 2000s as in like
2000 or 2010.
Hint.
That
Okay.
decade.
हाँ, hint till.
An additional hint without any minusing more points. I would say that the rating है इसकी
हाँ.
6.8. I personally would give it slightly lesser because I think this movie is not that great a movie. It's considered, most people think, oh, I love this movie. I think a lot of people, especially comedians, I think it's a very ठीक ही है, इतना कुछ खास नहीं है.
How is this a hint? It's your opinion.
हाँ, it's like I
It
have
is
to know
opinion.
him.
Yeah, correct. It is opinion. But if you think along those lines, it is like by popular opinion, people think, oh, it's a very good comedy film. But if you look at other films from the same, around the same time,
It's like a bouncy second guy.
Yeah.
There's
So
a not
the-
lead guy.
yeah.
जो कि बहुत jumpy है.
correct. So the first guy was थोड़ा ebullient bounciness, right? With an enviably trendy wardrobe, all right? And he's the weakest link, okay, according to him. This guy, the second actor he's talking about, is amazing in the film. He rocks the film. He's commandingly restrained performance. The actor shows off top-notch comic timing to hilarious effect. Balancing subtle shifts of tone with wildly over-the-top slapstick, he manages to deliver, always get a laugh even when the script falters. And the script falters a lot, in my opinion.
Pass.
Okay, pass again. Vaibhav, any guess at all? There are no negative points.
Okay, yeah, no negative. है तो
Yeah.
I don't know. Just funny movie 2000s Hera Fairy is what
Not
comes
Hera
to
Fairy.
mind, yeah.
All right. Next one. I recommend this one. This the reviewer says. Raja Sen says, I recommend this one. Judging from a full house audience, constantly convulsed in laughs, I would be very surprised if this hit isn't a hugely successful hit. It is a huge successful hit. The film has flaws, but more than enough charm to be classified an ideal romp. Sure, it's often inane, but very easy to jump into. I can't remember when I laughed out loud more frequently in a movie theater. This movie is the funniest film of the year. Anything at all, guys? The film has flaws, but more than enough charm to be classified an ideal romp. Sure, it's often inane, but very easy to jump into. Yeah. Has anyone in the audience gotten it? Don't answer it yet. But has anyone? Have? Okay. Okay. No worries. You can think out loud, please, if you can.
Yeah, laugh, romp was
Laugh.
romp क्या होता है?
Ideal romp.
Like how would I say
मतलब
romp?
it's it's a good time. Like this, it's an ideal movie. It's a good movie. Basically, what.
Oh, वैसे उस sense में
Yeah.
I thought ये movie को describe करने के हिसाब से कुछ बोल रहा है.
Okay, I don't think you guys are getting it. Should I go to the next one?
Yeah.
Next one is as follows. The first time you toss 2 balls into the air. This is a metaphor, I know. Okay, that's
Lahan
trying to
hai.
do. The first time you toss 2 balls into the air, at the same time you do it for a lark. Both objects have some value to you, and you're just seeing if you can actually pull it off. To raise the bar, you add a couple more balls and keep those hands busier and busier. Soon, however, the balls don't matter as you're immersed in the swooping leaps and sleight of hand required to maintain the increasingly delicate balance. The balls don't matter anymore, but you're hooked to the juggling. What a metaphor.
Yeah, it's entirely metaphorical, I'm
It's
assuming.
full- this one is this statement is
Yeah.
metaphorical in nature, and
2 balls in the
Man.
air, at the same time, you do it for a lark. Okay, both objects have some value to you, and you're just seeing if you can actually pull it off.
so it's obviously a movie where ये भी हो रहा है, ये भी हो रहा है, and then ये भी हो रहा है, ये भी हो रहा है.
नहीं, उसमें कोई ऐसे ड्रेसी होके तो कुछ नहीं कर रहा था यार.
Nothing at all.
I guess वो है, मतलब एक अक्षय खन्ना वाली मूवी आई थी ना जिसमें एंड में सब जन टच करके Current
Okay,
खा
I know
रहे
what I'm
थे.
thinking. I know what I'm thinking. Yes.
Is it Malamal Weekly?
No, it's
Okay.
not Manamal Weekly.
Okay.
Okay. Anything at all, Baba?
Now I learned 2 more names जो उसी कैटेगरी में नो एंट्री वेलकम
हाँ,
मालामाल
नहीं, वो
वीकली
थोड़ा
एंड इसके पिछले वाले में भी आया था नाम क्या था वो वाला टाइप का जो भी छोड़ो.
Okay. Next one. Okay. A remake of the 1965 Boeing, starring Tony Curtis and Jerry Lewis. It's obvious that a lot of the structure must have been lifted from the original, but the script itself flows along with terrific gusto. Now, the special hint is the words Boeing, I think. Okay? That's why I've kept in the name of the actors. I don't think any of us have seen this actual movie.
तुम लोग आ
But
गए
Boeing,
आ गए
because of Boeing, I think they've gotten it.
कुछ तो plane का कुछ होगा फिर.
Hmm.
Plane में कौन सा
1965 Boeing starring this जो भी it's obvious that a lot of structure must have been lifted. Script itself
Oh,
flows
I just
along
realized
with a
Boeing
terrific
is such a
gusto.
good name for this movie. You guys will understand when you see the actual name. It's such a good name for the original. Because Boeing can also mean
Boing.
sound effect.
no, like Boeing. Instead of that, if you say Boeing.
Yeah, it's like boinking वाला sex ऐसा टाइप का.
Yeah.
1965 sex. 1965 में sex होता था.
यहाँ पे अभी तक नहीं आया. 65
और उसका रीमेक हुआ है तो अब वो फूल पत्ता वाला से तो बाहर निकल गए. खाली सेक्स चल रहा है. कोई बहुत हिट किया है और कोई बहुत ओवरटली ड्रेस्ड है. 20s में इतना फेमस.
No, nothing at all. Vaibhav? Anything? Any wild guesses also? guys?
It's hilarious how with every hint I'm knowing lesser.
More.
It's like I'm और कम पता
Okay,
चल रहा है.
I'll take
Yes.
Garam Masala.
Yes, Gaurav! You get it. Now you understand Boeing, the air hostesses.
Oh wow.
They're all air hostesses when he was eating.
Oh,
yeah.
got it,
Yeah.
got it.
I have
Nice,
no
nice.
idea.
I went to watch this with my mother.
Mummy, Boeing. Nice, dude.
Let's call it sex education of our country.
So wait, that was 33 points in total. Now you got it at question number 5.
Yes.
So minus 5 points. 33 minus 5 is 28. Anil person's got 28 points.
Let's have one more question for 47 points. So that I beat him by 2.
All right, guys, the final scores are in. Okay. All right, guys, the final scores are in. The audience is in third place with 15 points. Yes. In second place, we have Vaibhav with 21 points. Very good. See, very nice.
It's okay. You guys will do better. It's okay.
And being crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah with a whopping 77 points, Anirban Das Gupta! Woo! Acceptance speech. Speech.
तू मेरे सामने.
Thank you
I have
guys.
something to say.
Yes.
जादूगर हो
तेरा जादू.
I don't know the second part.
जादू तेरी नजर.
जादू तेरी नजर है.
Also, both songs have jadoo है ना? You're right, dude. तेरा जादू चल गया, वो जादूगर है.
Oh, that is why we.
Yes, we ended up both songs.
Yes, amalgam.
There was one song, then they said that we have 2 places.
Exactly right. Guys, this is one of the like a fantastic episode, one of the greatest episodes we've done. Thank you so much, both of you. So nice, so sweet. Anything to plug before we end, guys? What are you guys doing? Any shows coming up? Please let us know.
No.
All right. Anything else?
Yeah, I am doing my show Cry Daddy somewhere.
Okay.
So please come for that. Yeah.
Oh, I have a Instagram reel. You can go watch that.
Please follow both of them on Instagram if you don't already. Hilarious. Thank you so much, guys. Vaibhav, Anirban, too good. What a fun time. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Please like, share, subscribe if you're watching this online. Please watch everything else I'm doing for Conversations, Spender Bender. Thank you again, guys. See you next week. Bye bye. Don't
How are
worry.
your safety
don't worry.
slides?
Yes,
Don't worry.
His safety slides are better than.
The thing is, I forgot to change the answer slide from the previous episode.
Hey, that's a nice twist, yeah.
I know, right? Can you guess what the answer slide
I
is?
could not have. I could not. I never thought Preeti Zinta would say dal chawal,
क्या
kabli
कहेगा?
kebab and all this. And then say क्या कहना?
क्या कहना है?
इस बारे में क्या ही कहूँ?
What was the question? This answer जिसका.
This question was कि माँ बनना औरत के
समझ
लिए
गया सर. Okay.
continue.
I was just checking.
Wait a
if
minute.
it's that
This is
or
not a
something.
mistake.
This
No,
was
it
the
is.
this
Oh,
was
ये था क्या चार
the previous
option?
episode that we recorded.
Previous episode.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
I forgot to change the answer slide. That's fine.
Vaibhav,
contact.
I got it on merit not by making political jokes.
Oh, मेरा तो 2 point वो भी एक joke का भी दिया हुआ है मेरे को. Oh.
Yeah.
See,
Anyone's game.
as you know, Bollywood has nothing to do with politics. ठीक है?